I'm sorry, I really had to play that intro. I never get the chance to play that intro. Never. Because we're always talking and you know, we never give some love to the intro. So since I had the chance, nobody's online right. I mean, nobody's on Discord right now. Talking. It was good to give the intro a chance. Flare Wolf, welcome. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go on Outbreak, on my Outbreak thingy. So actually I want to try something. Hold on, I want to try something. If I mute from over here. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna have a session, an Outbreak session. We're gonna, let me go online right away. I don't think there's anyone around. Cheer! Freddy Fulton! Welcome! Welcome, everyone. So, yeah, Cheer, you wanna join? You can join anytime. The Discord is open. I'm in Discord right now, so the room is gonna remain open. Anybody who wants to play can actually join the session and actually join even the Discord. So whoever's playing gets to talk, and then if you're out of the session, get out of Discord. So you make room for everyone. So that's how it's gonna work in my books. So I see Cheer already. Cheer's already there. Cheer, I see you. And he went out again. And he came in again. I see you, Cheer. I see you. It's Cheer perfection. Alright, so previous connection. Nexty. Let's just make sure everything works fine. Cause man, Outbreak is very fragile, huh?
Hello!
Whoa, that was loud.
I'm sorry about that.
No, it's my fault. My volume was very loud. Man, you should have seen my face. How are you, Cheer?
Yeah, I'm good. Hold
That's-
on, let me
That is awesome.
let me mute your stream.
Awesome.
Okay. Yeah, I'm coming in right now. I'm logging in.
That's good. Take your time, buddy. Take your time.
Oh no, I logged in from the website yesterday.
What? Sorry?
Yeah, I logged in from the
Oh,
website.
yeah, that's good. That's good. That's quicker. Yes, you log in the website and then just says, "Look, signed in as VloggyBuddy through chat," and you sign in through there. I don't know how. I don't understand how the game, the emulator, the PlayStation 2 emulator, communicates with the browser that you already logged in. I don't know how it works. I think it's fascinating. It's very interesting. I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's using the IP address.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I guess. I'm doing great, Freddy Fulton. How are you? How's the day treating you?
Yeah. Okay, I'm in.
You're in already? That's good. I'm gonna create a room real quickie, and yeah.
Hey everyone, chat.
What
How you all doing?
What I'm gonna do is, have you ever played? I'm not sure if you were with us last time when we played the zoo, the one in the zoo.
No, I wasn't
Okay,
in.
we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that first. You're kind of good.
Cool.
Freddy Fulton is kind of good. Why are you kind of good? You have to be good. Just good, man. No kind of.
Okay.
So I'm gonna I'm gonna create.
What?
Oh, the True Nightfall has retweeted my stream. The True is up. The True is up.
Oh yeah, let me do that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And even Super Crier tweeted me. Thank you, Super Crier. Sometimes I get notifications, sometimes I don't. Sometimes at the end of the stream I realize, like, whoops, look how many people retweeted me. I didn't say thank you. It's anyway. May Bob bless those brave enough. Alright, so I'm gonna create a room real quick with. So here's what I'm gonna do. I was thinking, we can play the scenario on easy, and if we beat it on easy, then we deserve to play it again, but with unlimited ammo, just for fun.
Unlimited? Oh yeah.
Yeah, but first we do it legit. First we do it legit and then
Yeah, it's been a long time since I played this scenario.
yeah, I mean last time I played it was with Drew.
Yeah, with Joe and Amy.
Yeah.
think.
Did we finish it? I
Yeah.
don't even know. Did we finish
Yeah,
it?
yeah, you played it on easy and finished it. Then you played it on hard and died.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yes, Mac Knight was with us. I think it was Mac Knight. Mac Knight was with us that day.
Yeah, Magna joined you when you played it as hard.
Yeah, that was funny.
Yeah, it was.
So I'm gonna switch to easy. Wild things. Should I wear my uniform? Yes, I'm gonna wear the uniform. Room title is gonna be. Let's see. The room title is gonna be. Yeah, very original.
Yeah, from that room. Okay. No pants.
The password's gonna be cheer.
Ah,
Cheer.
okay.
Don't forget that. Alright.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna forget.
So I created the room. You have to go in free area like we did last time.
Yeah, I'm already in. I'm putting the password right now.
Awesome. Oh, Freddy's dog died 3 days ago. That's so sad. I know the feeling. I know the feeling. When we lost, when our dog died, man, the whole household was like all depressed. I was actually worried about my mom at first because she was taking it really hard. My goodness, it was really worrying. But then it passes. Then it passes. So feel better, Freddy. It's nice to hear that we make you smile with our stream. That's the intention. That's why I stream, to make people smile, make them happy.
This is what a. So it's cheer, right?
Cheer.
The password?
Yes, yes.
Cheer without an R.
With the R, no? CHEER, right? Yeah.
Yeah, this one lets me put the R.
Oh, that's right. Only 4 character passwords. That's right. So CHEE. That's right, because it cuts off the last word. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
CHEE. Sorry about that. Yeah, I forgot. I typed in cheer, but then it eliminates the last character. Only 4 letter passwords. Yeah.
I'm sorry for your loss, Freddy. Yeah, I mean.
So. Oh, you're in. I didn't realize you were in. Oops. I'm just staring. Whoops.
Yeah, I told you I was in.
Oops. I am very distracted. Look at me. Look at you, Kevin and David. Vloggy and cheer. This is it. This is it.
This reminds me of the last time we played together alone.
Yeah. Let's hope this works out. Let's hope we survive. Hey, Julian! Hello, Julian.
Hey, Julian.
Thank you. I don't really celebrate birthday. Like, I need an excuse to celebrate anything, really. So, yeah, I was working last night and I'm working tonight again. I don't really
We are celebrating right now.
No,
Your birthday?
No. Yeah, why not? Why not?
Yeah, oh yeah, happy birthday.
Thank you. Like I said, I mean, I don't really celebrate my birthday. It's just like I need an excuse to celebrate anything. I celebrate every day. So... Thank you, Mr. Freddy.
This should be a no pants day.
I'm not wearing pants. It's no pants every day for me. So again, no pants for me. Look at that. Look at what's going on. Are you looking at the cutscene of what's going on?
Yeah, I'm looking at the cutscene.
Like zombies gave up chasing people, so like we're gonna eat a rhino.
Yeah, I'm just kind of the.
The elephant is like, that's not fair. Humans eat humans, animals eat animals. That's why he...
Oh, look, it's Amy.
Where's it?
To the
Amy.
citizens of Raccoon
Like,
City.
Oh, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, it's Amy. I feel like this game looks better visually.
That looks like the
graphics.
city zoo's
I
rear
don't know
gate.
if it's because I've done something
If
to
a
the
rescue
emulator
team's
that
on the way, I'd
enhances
better
this game.
hurry.
But I feel like Outbreak 5
I have
looks
kind
better.
of a
I
bad
don't know
feeling
why.
about this. but it looks
Yeah,
like
it
I
does
should
look
check it
better.
out.
Yeah, does it, eh? I mean, forget the cutscenes. The cutscenes just look the same. But now when the gameplay starts, it feels very sharp.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, Julian knows. Look, he says Vloggy celebrates life every day. That's very wise. Yeah, but it's true. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get started.
Yeah,
One for you, one for me.
Yeah.
Take a
I'm
you
gonna
picked up one, yeah?
do it. I need a lighter.
Oh my gun.
Right.
Okay, my floor is a bit iffy here because I was tinkering around with the graphics and it's weird, but it's just that. Hello, Ivan. Welcome. Uh-oh, zombie, 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 zombie. You know what?
I think that. Oh, there's a pipe here.
I think there's a bit of a lag. I think the game is lagging a little bit. Are you getting lag?
I don't know what. No, it's just fine for me.
I saw a zombie teleporting from side to side. That's not good. That's always a sign of lag. So
Yeah, that happened last night. Yesterday, at the end of the stream.
yeah, but it felt kind of worse right now. Even when you picked up an item, it took a while before it disappeared from the floor. Like, I don't know. So what's this? Oh, it's open.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be locked.
No, this is where we get the key for the door, I think.
I am so noob at Resident Evil Outbreak File 2. Very, very noob. And I like to keep it that way because if I play it too much, then I become very familiar. It becomes too easy, and it doesn't have the same effect personally. So yeah, I don't mind being a noob. What's this? Freeze the notebook. There's a notebook here. Flip the lock and read the number. All I have to do is flip the lock and read the number. What? Is this locked? This one's locked, but it looks fragile. So apparently the game wants me to. Right, I'm gonna bash the door down.
Yeah, this is.
You watch out for any zombies that might come in.
Okay. Yeah, I have a gun, so and I have some ammo.
Is this Kirby Crystal Shards Nintendo 64? Yes, yes it is, V4. You troll. You troll. How are you, V4? Wow, I mean, technically it is PC. Well, it came out on the PS2 originally, but we are playing it on the PC, so... Oh, there we go! Ta-da! I opened.
Okay.
There we go. You know
There's
what?
something.
I found the knife. I'm gonna keep the knife. I like the knife.
Yeah,
The knife is
I
really
also have a
good.
knife.
The knife is
Yeah, I
really
know.
good, actually.
Yeah, I also have a knife. It's a smaller one. Yeah.
Sword fight. Don't bring a knife. Don't bring a gun to a knife fight.
Yeah.
Alright, so there's the key
Yeah,
here or
I was-
something. Oh, I found the bolt cutters.
What? What cutter?
Yeah, so we can
Yeah,
open
yeah.
the gate.
Oh yeah. I didn't know I have two guns. Okay, this is okay.
Oh, actually, you know what? Did you pick up the gun from the restaurant?
Yeah, I picked it up.
Yeah, I need to find a gun for myself as well because the one I have I'm not happy with.
Oh yeah. Hey, I told you I have two guns.
Yes.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah, because the thing is, I thought that you have your default gun, but I forgot that your character doesn't have a default gun. I'm gonna take it.
Yeah, I picked up one from the start.
I'm going to give you the pliers, since you're a plumber.
Okay.
Bolt cutters, not
Yeah.
pliers. Can we go out this way?
Yeah, there's it's locked with a simple lock, so we can kick it.
I'm gonna kick it down. I'm gonna kick
Yeah.
it.
There's another door outside with a simple lock.
V4 says this game is an Undertale ripoff. I never played Undertale. Again, are you being serious or being funny? I don't know. Have you played Undertale? Sure.
No, I didn't.
I don't know what the game is like, so I don't know if she's being serious or not, but...
Okay, the door is open.
Alright, nice.
Oh, just a shortcut.
Yeah, well, actually it was a long cut because it took us forever to open the door.
Yeah, but no, I mean there is another door here
Oh, really?
with a simple lock. Yeah, here.
Let's open it. Charge! When is your birthday, Vloggy? My birthday is actually today.
Yeah, I don't think David can kick.
No,
Maybe
it's
you can with
the
that.
kick and the tackle that you're doing is the same thing. It's pretty much the same thing. It's just a different animation.
No, but you can push and kick.
Oh, actually, I think I can. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm pressing circle to kick. Yeah, if you unequip your weapon, you can actually push with the shoulder.
Oh, there we go. Ta-da!
Yeah, if you don't have a weapon, you can actually use your shoulder to push.
Oh, okay. So,
Yeah. I'm gonna search the trash.
yeah, I'm gonna search something. There's something sparkly over there. I want to check what this is.
Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. See.
Handgun rounds. Nice. I'm gonna pick these up. If you need some rounds,
Yeah,
I'll give you
yeah,
some.
I have some long.
So,
I think I have.
V4, did you ask out of coincidence or you knew it was today, so you're just asking? Was it just a coincidence? What's this over here? A pamphlet.
Oh, just a note.
Nice to meet you. My name is Murdy, and I'm the new Rathlesia who just too much to read. Happy 33rd. I'm not 33. I'm not 33 V4. I'm not 33. Ha ha ha. You're 33. I'm not 30. Oh, there's a shotgun. Did you miss this?
Where?
There's
Where?
a shotgun here. You missed it. Come on, take it. Take it.
Oh, oh, shotgun.
Thanks a lot.
Oh, nice. I didn't need it. Because there's a hunter rifle. Yeah.
I'm not 33 V4. I'm serious. I'm not 33.
You're, okay, good.
I'm 25. Oh, another lock.
Yeah.
I'm not 25, no. I'm not 25.
I think Alyssa would be better for this level. Because she can pick lock.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
But what is that? Lockpick when you can just pick the door.
The knife never breaks, eh? Like the pipe, the hole.
No. It's unbreakable.
That's good. There we go.
Who's the master of unlocking now?
Who's the master of unlocking now? How did you people know about Vloggy? Well, I stream publicly, Freddy, so anybody can come in. It's because I stream publicly. What's this? A magnum? It looks like a magnum. I don't know why, but no, it's just a handgun. Boo.
Yeah, let's go that way first. Cause oh, that's where we started from.
So this is where you have to use the bolt cutters over here.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to tell you, V4. I don't want to tell you. I don't want to tell you. I'll tell you if you tell me. I'll tell you if you tell me how old you are. Pesticide spray.
Oh, wait, I cut the bolt.
Not good. Gaming nerd, welcome. Welcome.
Hey, give me there. Welcome. Welcome to the Steam.
We are playing some Outbreak today. Resident Evil Outbreak. Actually, it's Biohazard Outbreak, huh?
Hunter, be
For,
hunted.
just for correctness, when I used to tweet the stream, I used to tweet like Biohazard Outbreak. I think even my thumbnail says. I'm not so sure actually. Now I'm curious. Does it say Resident Evil or Biohazard? Biohazard. You see, because of correctness. 50. Yeah, right. Nothing. It's nothing. Vloggy. I'm 27. See, it's just a number. Yeah, even me. I'm 27. Even me. Before.
Wait, you're 27?
No, I'm not 27. But for V4, I am 27.
Oh.
For V4, I'm 27. For V4, I'm anything she wants me to be. Yeah, you're old. I'm not old. Go away. Oh man, be careful. You ever see this guy?
Oh yeah, I remember this guy.
Zombie elephant. That's like the best thing ever.
He's kind of cute.
Yeah, but he's annoying, huh? He's very annoying. Yeah, you remember the hospital? Whoa, run! Did he just toss you in the air?
Yes.
Whoa! Okay, so
Where did you go?
Amy rip. Amy already died.
Aww. Wait, there's Chinese stuff here.
Alright, where are you, Cheer?
I'm.
I don't want to leave without you. We have to stick
Oh.
together, like bros.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just getting some.
Oh, there you
yeah.
are. There you are. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Follow me.
Let's go.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Zombie Fant. I like that. The Zombie Fant. I like that. From now on, he's known as the Zombie Fant. Zombie Fant. Hold on. Hold on. I thought there was
Zombie
like.
pants.
I thought there was like an entrance here or something. No. Okay. No. Nothing. 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 Let's go.
Oh yeah, the zombie pants.
The Zombie Fant. I like that. And I'm not 33 V4. I'm not 23. I'm not 23. I'm not 23 and I'm not 33 either. It's somewhere in between.
Yeah. I thought you said zombie pants. Zombie pants.
No, Zombie Fant. It's an elephant
Yeah.
zombie. Zombie Fant.
I was like, what the?
Alright.
What the hell is the zombie pants?
Is it this way? There's an area. Yeah, it's this way. Follow me.
Oh yeah, there's a door here. Locked.
Is it locked? Yeah, it must be locked.
Yeah. We need the alligator key.
Whoa! Watch out! What for the hyenas or something?
Hyena!
Watch out for the hyenas. They're hungry.
Yeah, the hyenas are skippy.
They're like dogs. They're just like dogs, but
Yeah.
they are reskinned dogs. They reskinned them into. So no, I'm not 33, and I'm not 33 now.
Yeah, he's not 33 and he's pantless.
The little birdie lied. The little birdie lied to you. Ooh, shall I take the shotgun as well? I should.
Oh yeah, take it.
I should take the shotgun, so I'm gonna replace it with it. I'm gonna remove the knife. I don't need the knife. I'll miss your knife.
Oh yeah, I just need that box cutter, right?
So, let's just check this room. I don't know if this room is... Hold on, is this useful? We don't need the bolt cutters now.
Yeah.
Let me just check this room real quick.
Oh god.
It's not from the inside. The ground is shaking.
Yeah, Oh god.
Watch out! Watch out! Don't get too close to the window! To the window!
Yeah.
Did you get attacked? No, you're good.
No, I'm good.
Whoa! I got attacked.
No, he just scared me.
What is this? Is this a magnum? This looks like a magnum. No, just a
No, it's
handgun.
a...
Ah! Whoa! No! 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 He dragged me out the window!
Are you dead?
No, I'm dead! I am RIP GG 100%! Oh man! That is so unfair! That is so unfair! Oh, 25 points. Boo. I ripped.
No! I'm not gonna go alone. I'm coming for you, Vloggy.
I died. The zombie elephant just dragged me out the window. That was hilarious. I didn't expect that. I thought he would just... The gun. It was the gun's fault. The gun was shiny and it looked like a magnum. And I thought, I was like, magnum! Because I'm so greedy.
Yeah.
Because I'm so greedy. Did I scream? I don't even think... Did I scream? I don't even know if I screamed.
No, I was the one screaming. Yeah, I think okay, I'm dead too. I followed you.
Did you die too? Oh, you died too? Okay, so we can start over then.
Yeah, I just jumped for the event.
Let me just try it. I mean, we didn't make a lot of progress, so we can start over anyway.
Yeah, I tried for the first time.
Yeah. So yeah, we know to stay away from the elephant.
From the windows, yes.
So V4 says, hang on. I wish I could send you a cake with 33 candles on top of it. Ha 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 ha! You look 28 for me, Vloggy. I hope you had a wonderful... Yeah, it was okay. I'm playing video games, so it doesn't get any better than that. That's the best. My screen is shaking now. It's like vibrating. I don't know why. I hope it stops. Wild thing. Somebody's playing. Do you want to join them? Do you want to join them?
Yeah, sure.
Let's join them. Let's join them. That's funny. It's gonna be funny.
Hold on.
We're gonna join people now. Let's join them. There's Alyssa and Hunk, and Kevin is coming in. Boom. Enter.
Oh.
I don't know what the difficulty is actually. I just went in. Come in.
I don't know, but what's the password?
No, there's no password. It's open. You can just go in.
Okay, I'm in.
4 out of 4. Yes! Now either they'll kick us out. Maybe they were waiting for someone else and they're gonna kick us out. But we'll give it a chance. Why not?
Yeah. Hey, it says Type A only. It's new Type A.
I don't know what it means, type A, honestly.
Yeah, I don't know. But I'm gonna type A only. Should I type A only?
What?
Should I type A?
Type A only. I don't know what it means, type A only. Game to begin
What?
shortly. I don't
Oh.
know. It's gonna start. Let's go. Let's see. I hope these guys are good.
Yeah. Okay, who's well, that white guy seems to be weak.
Let's see. We'll see.
Do you think they're gonna skip the cutscene?
Yeah, we can skip the... I think they are gonna skip the cutscene. Why did it go black and that's it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Alright, it's starting. It's
Okay.
starting. I'm pressing start in case they want to skip the cutscenes, but...
Yeah, same here, but it's not skipping for me.
Nah, me neither.
Yeah, it means they're gonna.
Alright, they did skip it apparently.
Okay, good.
And even this one.
Yeah.
Alright,
So
so we don't know these guys. Alright, cheer, we don't know these guys, so you and me,
Yeah.
we're gonna team up, okay?
we're gonna.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll
Let's,
stick together.
any items you see, pick them up, and then we share between us.
Yeah, there's a gun on the left.
Yeah, look at us! I'm gonna take the air bridge.
They're
Okay.
picking everything up. There's someone's playing as Hunk.
Yeah,
I
someone's
think.
playing his hunk, yeah.
Is that really Hunk?
Yeah, it
I
is.
have
Yes,
it.
it is hunk, yeah. Uh oh, there's a zombie.
Oh, it's fast. It's fast.
Yeah.
And it's coming.
I'm gonna go through
Hurt.
here.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go at the bolt cutters. I'm gonna go in, get the bolt cutters, and start moving.
Yeah, I'm coming with you.
Because we don't know anything about these guys. For all we know, they could just leave us behind. Or they could grab all the
Yeah.
items and just leave us to die.
Yeah, I think so too.
They could be just noobs.
There's something on the table.
Alright, so we need to open this real quick.
Yeah, you open the door, I'll fix the zombie.
Yes, please.
Oh. I think it's there.
Are the guys here? No, it's just you and me in this restaurant.
Yeah, I think they went to the right side or something.
I don't know why. Maybe they know something we don't, or maybe they're just
Oh,
noobs.
right, it. Oh, here they are.
They're in, they came.
Yeah, it's a bit
Ah,
laggy.
Hunk is helping me punch it. Get to the door. That's good. Whoa, a zombie's coming!
Yeah, I think my game's stuck. Cause I'm trying to break an item, but nothing happened.
What?
Oh, I got a revolver.
What happened? Are you still there? Are you playing?
Yeah, I'm playing, but skippy.
Alright, good, we did it. Whoa! Ah, help me please! Nice, thank you Hunk. Hunk is helping actually, so...
Yeah.
The game is lagging, huh?
Yeah, so much. Oh,
Because we're so
I
many
think-
people, I think.
okay, I got the tape. Yeah. So, okay, there's a gun here.
He's giving me something. Hunk is giving me something.
That's it.
What's he giving me? Herb. Oh, thank you. But no, I'm just bleeding,
Yeah.
actually. I'm just bleeding.
What is that again?
Alright, I'm gonna follow Hunk because it looks like he knows what he's doing, so...
Yeah. Well, I got a handgun, but with no bullets.
You guys got the bolt cutters or not? I didn't see
I
them.
know. I didn't see it, but I got the tape.
My gun's empty. My gun is empty.
I got one bullet.
I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out of here. This is the way out.
That's it. Yeah. I think we should.
Hey, Silent Streamer, hello. And Cherry Birkin, hello.
Hey, Silent and Cherry. How you both doing?
Are you playing this on VH? What do you mean VH? We're playing this on PC. This is PlayStation. Oh, so many zombies out here. Careful, careful. Dodgy dodge. Oh, Alyssa already died. Wow. That's not good. Alyssa already died. Can I take her stuff?
Yeah, you can.
No, I mean, like, what's this? Stun gun. She has a stun gun.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it.
Take it. Yeah. Alright, so,
Yeah.
quickly, I'm gonna go look around.
Wait. Is the revolver any good? So I found there was a revolver in the restaurant.
I'm not so sure. Oh, zombies are chasing me! So, very hard. I don't know actually. Somebody was created a room and we just joined and we didn't even pay attention whether... Nobody has that. Wow, so many zombies!
Yeah. The problem is it's so skippy.
Yeah, it is. It's lagging. Somebody created this room and we have no idea what difficulty this is, but it feels very hard. It does feel hard. You okay, bud?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just bleeding.
You don't look okay, actually.
Yeah, I'm just bleeding.
Whoa!
Damn.
Oh, my gun is on ammo as well. Wow. What the heck? Oh man, this is not good, huh? This is not good.
Yeah.
Combine. Whoa, man! Whoa. What is going on here?
Okay, I'm in danger.
What the heck?
Yeah, I know.
This is hard. I think this is hard. I think Silent Stream is right. This is hard. No waste ammo, never. It's a hard, very rare. Zombies are more faster than... Yes, they are. Yes, the thing is, when I try to aim towards the door, so I can kick the door down, it just keeps turning towards zombies. Zombies coming!
I'm just
I have to use ammo. What am I gonna do? There's so many. This is not the way to start the game. I mean... Come on.
okay. I'm dead.
If anybody wants to join, we're gonna create another room after this and we're gonna make it easy. If anybody wants to join, you're all welcome to do so. And if anybody's watching, Sherry seems to be familiar with the game. And even Silent Streamer, you can join. Marco Campo, welcome! I just noticed, sorry. I opened the door! I finally opened the door by kicking. So, are you dead?
No, I'm almost dead.
Come on, try following me. Try following me here. There's a red herb here.
Yeah,
Wow,
I'm coming.
I'm on red caution, actually, I just realized.
Yeah, I'm in danger.
Whoa! Whoa! Hurry up! Not you, I'm just saying, talking to my character to hurry up. Hold on. Wow,
Yeah,
all the guns are empty! All the guns I keep finding are empty.
Yeah, I'm in the back alley now.
Alright, well, I mean, I found a shotgun, but it's useless. Useless. Oh, now I'm bad. Now I'm really bad. Uh-oh, not good, no bueno. Okay,
Time to go.
Switch the guns.
I'm coming, Vloggy. Wait for me. Don't die on me.
If I want to survive, I have to do this. Okay, now the gun's empty. Nice.
I have
This is too hard.
4. What do you call them?
I'm dead, that's it, GG. This was hard. This was really hard. Yeah, we're gonna try another room.
Wait, you're dead?
Well, no, not really, but... you see, this is as far as I can go. Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's a thing.
I found a shotgun and it's empty. How useless.
Yeah, I know. I found a revolver.
Honestly, I thought Hunk was trolling me because he handed me a gun and it was empty. I'm like, why is he... Oh, crawling on the floor, and I'm gonna join you. This is ass. This is too much.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm quitting. I can't quit? Can I quit?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna quit. It's too much.
Yeah, I've quit.
We're gonna create another room. If anybody wants to join, you're all welcome. And
Yeah.
so yeah.
Yeah, you should post your Discord link so they can join us. Voice chat if they want.
Yeah, I mean, if you, yeah, exactly. If anybody wants to join this Discord as well, so we can communicate better, rather than chat, we can do that as well.
Speaking of Discord.
So let me try again. I'm gonna create one myself. I mean, I'm not gonna trust people with very hard scenarios. I mean, I was interested and attracted to the room because there was like 2 people and like, yeah, other people. All right, so
Yeah.
quick start. So
Well, good. I found the revolver. It was really nice.
create one myself.
Cake.
Piece of cake. Room is busy. Oh, we're not creating rooms now. Oh wow. The server's quite busy actually. I just realized.
Yeah, let's try make a room. Yeah, I'm
What?
gonna try and make it.
Yeah, let's
Let's
try.
try to make a
Let's
room.
go. Let's go to a different room because this is.
No, I'm making a room right now.
All right. Yeah, but everything. I was thinking maybe we can select a different area. No, what? No, we have to go to free area.
Yeah, I'm
Silent
like,
streamer. Silent streamer is coming.
Okay.
Why did Nightbot time out Sherry? That's stupid. She didn't even say anything. I think. That's so. Hold on. I don't know what Sherry said, but it seems to be okay. Don't take any notice. Don't take any notice.
Okay,
of Nightbot.
I made a room.
You made a room? Okay,
Oh,
awesome.
Yeah, it's
Made
called
it-
Panda.
Did you make it on easy? Panda, oh, there it is,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. The password is 1111.
1111. Alright, so if Silent Streamer wants to join, we'll wait for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, Kevin, enter. So 1111. Yep. Alright, so we'll just hang here until we get a confirmation from Silent Streamer. We can hang out all together and survive the stuff. Hi, this game is really scary. Shut up, V4. Have you played RE7 V4? Have you played that one? That one gave me some scares when I played it for the first time ever, and then that's fine. Then it was okay. Freddy Falzon is booing us. Don't boo us. Are you still there, Cheer?
Yeah, I'm
You went very quiet. I'm like, did he die?
Oh yeah. No. I'm just typing something.
Okay. No, Vloggy, I haven't. You should. Before you should. If you love RE, if you call yourself an RE fan, you need to. Well, I mean, no. The only Resident Evils that I ever found to be scary in my life was RE1, the first Resident Evil on the PlayStation 1, and that scared me because I was what, 10, 11 when it came out. Oh no, now V4 can work it out and see how old I am. Oh no! So RE1, I was 11. That scared me. And then Resident Evil 2. It wasn't really scary, but it stressed me out. I remember arriving at the gun shop, at the Kendo gun shop, and I'm like, oh, man, I survived the streets. I'm inside, you know, under a roof. I'm safe. What? There's no typewriter in here? It took me forever to get to the police station. It's amazing. And then, Code Veronica wasn't scary. I loved Outbreak. La 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 la, no no.
Yeah, I can attempt the whole thing.
And I'm a sucker for scary games, actually. I love getting scared. I really love getting scared.
Okay, okay, if they want to join, they should do now, because we only have like 7 minutes.
Fun fact, if your team... are you joining Silent? Because we're waiting for you in case you want to join. You should have left it open, actually. You shouldn't have made a password, actually. We should have kept it open, actually. I don't know why we're doing passwords. But anyway, that's fine.
You know, so we didn't get any random people. Like, people we don't know.
Let's just play this one. Let's just play this one, because I don't think Silent's coming, to be honest with you. Anyone here watch The Walking Dead? I used to watch it, but then I kind of gave up. Hey, Maltese, welcome!
Yeah, okay, just let's wait for 1 minute, okay?
Yes, just wait another minute. Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
The password is 1111 silent. It's 11111111. So yeah, I love scary games, and this is my next plan for my streaming adventure. What I want to do is stream horror games like every Friday. I need to choose a day, and I don't know why, but Friday horror nights sounds good. So I want to do like Friday horror nights with the face cam in the darkness with some light on my face only, and play games that I've never played before that are scary. And
Friday night frights, huh?
Yeah, Friday horror night. No, it's just 3. It's just 4 ones. It's just 4 ones. So yeah, and you know, I want to do like even the notifications, the sub alerts and donations. I want to do them scary, like very loud, so they freak me out. And yeah, so I have a bunch of games lined up. I have about like 10 so far. So if I play one every Friday, I have like for 10 weeks to go. It should be fine. It should be fun. But I need to get a good camera. I need to get a good camera because the one I have on my iMac is not really. I'm not satisfied with the quality. No, I'm not gonna play Five Nights at Freddy's. Nah. Nah. Silent Hill? Yes, I'm considering Silent Hill. Yes, I am considering Silent Hill. I have never played a Silent Hill game in my life, ever. Ever. But I don't think it's gonna scare me, to be honest with you. I don't know. I don't think it will scare me. You think that RE games are not as good as Silent Hill games? Oh, interesting. Oh, okay. Silent is in. Can I play with you on the next match? Say yes, Sim? Oh, no, now. Sim. Yes, Sherry. Sim. You can play with us.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna say Sim, but in the next round she means, not now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, he's in. Let's go. Silent stream.
Okay, let's go.
I said he. Yes, I'm assuming it's a he because of the picture. He looks like a he in the picture, but I don't know. Sorry if I assumed. Alright.
Oh, okay. Okay, so Sim?
Sim Salabim. You know what would get you a Fatal Frame? Yes, somebody already recommended Fatal Frame, and yes, I am getting Fatal Frame as well.
Oh
yes.
yeah, are you gonna get a cold feet?
I am a baby. It's true. I am easily scared. But I will be playing Fatal Frame. Yes, definitely. Fatal Frame is lined up as well. I got so many games to play. So many games that I have never played. It's true. I have like so many physical games that I buy online and I never played them. Silent's gonna guide us. That's awesome. Yay! Philly's in the house with the chilies and the party and the...
Hey, Philly!
Philly chili. I'm gonna skip the cutscene because we've seen it now.
Yeah, same here. I already skipped this.
To the citizens of Raccoon City.
Oh, we can skip both cutscenes.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna survive, we're gonna do this, and if we do, we'll play it with unlimited ammo just for fun.
Yeah, we press on very hard. Yeah.
Alright, so ooh, look at the first aid sprays. Nice.
Go!
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, the lag is strong.
Oh yeah,
right?
Hey!
Wow, the lag is strong.
There's lag.
Yeah. Well, I mean, maybe till the game
Are you crazy?
synchronizes or something, but...
Oh!
Hey! It's me, Cheer!
It's cheer, Philly. It's cheer.
Hey, Cheer!
Everybody loves cheer.
Hey, over there!
I'm gonna pause this real quick.
Do you have a gun?
I do have a gun, but it's the default gun, and I don't like it because there's not much ammo for it.
Good.
Yeah, I'm in the restaurant.
You're in there? How did you get in the restaurant already? How?
The door was open.
Okay, so... hold on.
David!
Alright, okay, so I don't know which door we're trying to... I'll check them out, Freddy. I'll check them out, but since you recommended Five Nights at Freddy's, I kind of lost faith in your taste. The taste of the games you suggest.
Kevin!
She's calling me.
Yeah, she's calling you.
I don't know why. Cindy, why you
Yeah.
calling me, girl?
Yeah, there was a gun on the table.
Yeah, I'm
Did
gonna
you get it?
Yeah, I'm gonna take this from the table. Yeah, and I'm gonna get rid
Okay.
of this. Okay,
Yeah.
nothing. Let's go.
Yeah, I've bought
I'll take this note. Okay, science trying to give me a note. Okay.
Okay.
I'm not so sure why, but I'll take it. I will read it later. I'm gonna read it now, actually. Joseph's notebook.
Joseph.
Kevin!
As in the.
This way!
This way. Alright, let's follow Cindy.
Yeah. Yeah.
This
Oh
way!
yeah, I got the bird cutters. So we're done from here.
I will make a note of those games and check those out. I will check them out.
Yeah, if you look at Resident Evil, you should check Cold Fear.
Hey.
It's really good. I think you already have it,
I
right?
think.
What, sorry?
Cold Fear.
Cold Fear.
Yes.
Yeah. It's like Resident Evil. I've posted the trailer for it in your Discord.
Kevin!
I think I did see it. Yes, it sounds familiar. Yes, I remember. Yes, I remember checking it out. But oh yeah, yes. It's
Yeah.
It's PS2, is it?
Yeah, it's.
Yeah, I remember
PlayStation 2,
checking
yeah.
it out. Yes, I remember checking it out.
Okay, good. It's a cool game.
But it feels like it's very action, if I'm not mistaken.
Be hunted.
I remember you sharing
Yeah.
2 games. One of them felt kind of actiony. I don't like action.
Yeah.
I like the atmosphere of walking down the hallways and all you hear is your footsteps and you don't know what's around the
Yeah.
corner. It's very quiet.
Go.
Like that's what I.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit actiony,
Come
but
this way.
it's more horror than action.
Okay. All right.
It's kind of like Dead Aim. Kind of feel like Dead Aim.
Going
But,
to lurk.
in a-
Okay.
Philly says he's gonna lurk and get ready for work as he gotta be there in 1 hour. Ouch. Okay. No problems. Lurk away, Philly. No problem. Do you not?
Okay, good luck with work, Billy.
Do we play file 1? Yes, it's all we play actually. I see. It's all we play file 1 actually. We're playing file 2 for a change because we didn't play file 1. Actually. But I'm liking file.
Okay.
I'm liking file 2 more, to be honest with you.
Okay, stay away from the zombie.
Yeah. Zombie
Yeah.
fans. Watch out!
Yeah.
Watch out from the zombie fans!
The first time I just walked the term, I want to give him like, nope.
Let's wait for silent. Silent.
Oh yeah, I'm just getting my. Let's go away.
What's silent? Silent being killed. You need to be careful.
Please come this
Yeah.
way.
Alright, this way. Alright. This way.
Where?
Over
Sorry.
here. She's Cindy's teleporting all over the place. This way.
Yeah, there it is. Okay, I got the map. Where are you? Okay, there you are.
And for some reason, I'm only seeing Cindy teleporting from one side to the other. I don't. Oh, look at this. We can actually
What?
destroy this. Oh wow, I didn't know this. Whoa.
Oh, I don't need that.
Kevin!
Oh shit. Alright, what's there? What's this?
Some shit.
Handgun rounds. Thank you. Nice. That was awesome.
Thanks. Please come this way.
Wait, there's something we can destroy here.
No, I think we can go through here. Just go through. Wow, this is so awesome. But I only see silent lagging. Maybe it's just this connection.
Let's
I don't
go.
know.
Maybe it's from my
What
end.
happened?
Because
I know.
you're not lagging, Cheer. You're not lagging. It's just
Hey.
Cindy's.
Yeah.
Hold on. So we can destroy this
I
one as
really
well.
don't
Hold
know.
on. Can we destroy this one as well? No. Yes, we
I'm
can.
scared.
Is there anything?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a pipe. Well, I'm not gonna take the pipe. No pipe.
Oh no.
Whoa. Ooh, look. Kicking the dog.
Oh.
I think it's
How cool. I wish I could do that. I don't know how to do it.
No.
Maybe like this.
yeah. You press the down button.
I'm buffering, really? Oh no, that's not good.
Oh shit.
I'm buffering. No. Well, there's nothing
Oh, no.
I can do, really.
Oh no, we
This way.
have to run.
This way.
This way.
Yeah,
This way.
we're gonna run. The elephant is here.
Oh, the elephant's coming. Okay, whoa. Am I still
Yeah, you
buffering?
can hear, yeah. You can hear actually the music when he comes.
Yeah, but the volume on my TV is very low because what's this on the floor?
This way!
Shotgun rounds. Ooh, lovely. I'm gonna take these for later. So, yeah, the music changes. But the thing is, the volume on my TV is very low because I don't want it to get picked up by my microphone.
Oh yeah.
Please,
Stay away from the window.
Yeah.
hey you! Kevin!
Kevin!
Please come this way!
Cindy's giving me stuff. Shotgun rounds. Thank you. So what do I do? Oh, no! No, no,
Kevin!
no, 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 no! I gave you the
This
shotgun!
way.
I want the shotgun shells! I thought you were giving me more shotgun shells! No,
Over
no!
there.
Give me my shotgun shells! I don't care about those bullets! I don't care about those ammo! Am I still buffering?
Hey, I got a key.
Over
I
there.
got the elephant key.
Ah, awesome! Give me
Hey.
back my... Give me back my... Give me back my shotgun shells! It's not like I need those, but I don't really need them.
No. I really did.
What the heck is going on? What?
I
Why?
think... Over there.
Okay, I already got the key, so we don't need it.
Oh yeah, we don't really... Hold on, let me just check what's in this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna check the office. Maybe something there. Hey, you! Kevin! Kevin!
Kevin!
Kevin! Kevin! Oh!
Oh, there's
There's a-
a statue here. Can I push the statue? I don't know. Can I? No, doesn't look like it can be pushed.
This
Okay, I
way!
got a shotgun.
Nice!
Hey, over there!
You have shotgun rounds, right?
What happened?
No, because I by mistake I gave them to Silent, so Silent has my shotgun shells.
Okay. And he has
This
45
way.
rounds. He has 45 rounds. They should give them to you.
Well, I mean, I was
Let's
given
go.
like some sort of handgun rounds to go with the gun that he gets by default, but I don't like. Oh, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. We need to find the raccoon medal. What do you mean we need more raccoon medal? Did you already find one?
No?
No, Silent saying
Let's
we
go.
need more raccoon medal. I don't know if Silent means that we already
Hey,
got
over
one.
there!
No. I think.
Hey,
Well, I got the elephant
Please
keys,
come
but
this way.
there's nowhere to go.
let's go!
Oh, the elephant's coming, I think. Yes, the ground
Yeah.
is shaking. That's how
I'm
I.
checking, the music is playing.
That's how I can tell that the
Let's
elephant's
go.
here with the ground being
Please come this
shaking
way.
because, like I said, the volume on my TV is quite low. Hold on, I
this
want to check
way.
what's down here real quick.
David!
What's down here? This needs to be pushed. Can somebody help me push this? Yeah, there we
Hey, over
go.
there.
Teamwork. Let's see what's down
Yeah.
here.
Yes.
Let's see if it's worth it.
Yeah.
I think there's
hey,
shotgun
there
shells. Are those shotgun shells?
Yeah, there's shotgun shells. What else do you got? Okay,
Shotgun rounds, yeah. Wait.
Wait!
Yeah, shotgun
Yeah.
rounds.
there you go. I didn't need a man handgun with ammo.
David!
Take it.
Are you sure?
Please, wait!
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give you something useless.
Yeah, I'm...
gonna...
Over there!
Okay, let's stay here for a while.
Yeah, we're gonna hang here. I'm gonna put my gun.
Okay. Wait, there?
I think
No.
this way!
What's this newspaper thing?
Kevin! This way!
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Kevin!
David!
Oh, over here.
Please
Oh, we're gonna...
come this way!
This way?
Oh.
I'm here.
David!
Okay.
There's
Oh,
handgun rounds here if you want. There's
David!
handgun rounds if you want.
Yeah,
David!
I'm gonna take it, but there's a breakaway thing here.
I didn't know you could destroy these. This was all new. This is all new for me.
Yes!
Yeah, we have to move fast because he's back.
Elephant's back. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
David!
Whoa!
Where
Whoa!
to go?
Whoa!
Where
Whoa!
to?
Whoa! I think, I don't know, maybe this way? I don't know. I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah, I'm going south.
Vloggy, did you talk to Gabe? Who's Gabe?
That's good.
Who's Gabe? Kevin! 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 Oh, I think we've been here.
Hey.
Have we been here? No.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
oh yeah,
Yeah,
we were here.
we went around in circle actually. Yes, we have to go back.
Yeah.
Please come this way.
Come this way. She's calling us this way. It's hard.
Yeah,
it's
okay.
hard. It's hard to communicate without voice chat.
Yeah, I know.
Thanks.
I don't know how.
Sorry.
Thanks.
I don't know how you do it.
Please come this way.
Come this way. I'm
Hey.
following you. I'm following you. I'm following you.
Why?
I see Cindy lagging a lot. Do you see her lagging?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's there too.
So it must be the connection. It must be the
Maybe.
connection.
Oh yeah, I have the key. Hold on. Got a key. There we go.
Thank you.
Let's go.
I've sent you the link to Discord. Huh?
True streaming. Lord of the
Let's
Sims. We're missing it. I have to watch the video now.
Please come this way.
Oh, okay, so oh,
What happened? Hey, over there.
There's no time to cry. Yeah, the subtitles don't match what she's saying. Nothing. She said this way, but the subtitle says there's no time to cry.
yeah, I know.
Good. Hey. Hey, over there.
The music's playing.
Wait,
So the elephant comes in here, and we lock the elephant. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what's gonna happen. The elephant's being dragged here with the music, and then we're gonna lock. Look. And now that we close the gate, the zombie corpse fell. I don't know how he ended up there, but... And he dropped a key or something.
oh yeah, the elephant tossed in there.
I will check the link later, Freddy. Yes, we are communicating via Discord.
Please
Yes.
come this way.
Alright, so this way. This way.
This way.
We're speedrunning it. We're speedrunning it. Like pros.
Over there.
Oh god.
Whoa, crows! Or whatever they are. Well,
Hey,
they're
over
these
there.
new crows.
Please come this
Oh, this
way.
way? This way. This way. This way. This way.
Okay. Right?
Let's
Oh
go.
yeah. I remember we go downstairs.
Oh, look, Five
The
Nights at
alligator.
Freddy's. Five Nights at Freddy's. A discarded
Yeah.
stuffed animal. It
David!
smells moldy.
What? What's going on? The shotgun on.
Shotgun rounds for me.
Yeah, and the table, the desk.
Awesome. Look, Five Nights at Freddy's. How cool. I like this. Looks like it.
Darn.
Alright, anything else? You can change your outfit here. You're right.
This way.
This way. Let's go.
Yeah.
Leaves link from Discord, please. Yeah, I'm gonna share my Discord if anybody wants to join. Hang on a sec. Let me just share.
Hey, over there.
That place to stop playing. Hold on. I'm gonna find a safer place to hang out.
Somebody help me.
Ooh, wow, nice aim, Silent. Wow, that was good.
Oh.
That was really good. Are we safe here? Yeah, I'm gonna share my Discord link. Just anybody wants to join. That's where we
Please
talk
come
about
this
stuff.
way.
On stupid stuff, really. Copy. So I'm gonna share my Discord. And whoever plays with us on Outbreak can actually join the voice chat as well. Only those who play Outbreak, though, can join the voice chat, obviously.
Yeah.
So that's the invite.
Oh yeah, on the Outbreak and Minecraft.
What about Minecraft? You wanna play Minecraft with me?
This way.
This
No,
way.
I want to play Minecraft, but you can't, because I only have PC.
Yeah, we can play it on PC. PC is even better, actually. The Minecraft on PC is even better. Oh, I miss
yeah.
Minecraft. We should play Minecraft. It will be so
Let's
much
go.
fun.
Oh, yeah.
Especially if everybody's a noob and I'll be the only one that knows the game, so I can tell you how to do stuff. It'll be so much fun.
Yeah, it's been, I think it's been like maybe 5 years since I played Minecraft.
It's been years as well since I played, and I used to be so good. I used to have this amazing server, and I used to build so much good
Please
stuff.
come this way.
Skyscrapers and
Oh yeah,
bridges.
oh god, not this place. The bees.
Oh yeah, that's right, the bees. Bees! Oh yeah, you need to push that box apparently.
Sorry,
Can you try
no.
to push that box?
Yeah.
David!
No, this
Yeah.
Yes,
No.
there we go.
David! Sorry, no. David! Sorry, no.
Whoa! Did I get poisoned?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm poisoned now, fantastic.
Oh god, what the? I'm stuck.
You know what that is? Plant 42. That would got me.
Please come this way.
Yeah, you know the plants in Naruto, they're actually called plant 32, 43.
Really?
This way.
Yeah, the plant monster in the secret lab.
Ah,
What
Yeah,
happened?
there's a blue herb here.
Hey,
I'll take it because I'm poisoned. Unless someone else is. Take it.
No, I'm fine. You're the only one poisoned.
I need to use it.
Yeah,
There we
Yeah,
go,
I'm-
back to fine. We're good.
okay, now I'm poisoned.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I went to this room and so many bees. So I think there's like 3 buttons we have to push here.
Yeah, there's like 3 buttons everywhere.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, Freddy remembers. I used to make.
Okay.
I once made. I made like an animated series of a Minecraft, like a Minecraft series, and I made an animated series. Oh, you got disconnected. Oh no, we're on our own. There's a button. Push it.
Oh no.
I pushed the button. I don't know what it did. What?
Yeah,
Did I
same
get
here.
poisoned again? Oh, I'm poisoned again. Ah, man.
Yeah, I'm poisoned too.
You got disconnected. I think you were. Yeah, I think you had a bad connection because you were even lagging badly at one point. Well, not at one point, always. Let's go this way. Let's go try go this way. See where this takes us.
Yeah, there's. I think we got. Oh no, that's where the alligators are.
Yeah, we have to cross for sure. We need to get to the other side for sure.
Oh yeah, there's a hunting rifle. I
Oh,
remember that.
I found the blue herb. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to use it because.
Oh yeah, no problem. I'll find another one.
Yeah, there's a crocodile here. I remember. There's a crocodile.
Crocodile.
Have I watched Resident Evil Final Chapter? No, I don't like the Resident Evil movies.
Yeah, that's it. On the stick.
Kill the crocodile.
Okay.
We can actually kill the crocodile according to Silent. We're gonna try.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna do it.
Please don't die, Vloggy. Please don't die, Vloggy. Please don't die.
I'm just gonna swim fast. Is there anything here?
Nice, we made it. Alright. Let's see if I can get him. Come on. Nice, I got him.
Yeah, we made it. Nice. Okay. What are you, Vloggy?
I'm fighting the crocodile. I'm killing him.
Oh, hey! I'm gonna go upstairs and...
I think I got him. I think I got him. Did I get him? Yeah, I think he ripped. There we go. Rip. Crocodile is dead. So I'm coming. Just wanted to.
Yeah, I went upstairs.
Blaze Master, are you? Hello there, Mr. Vloggy. Are you who I think? Are you who I think you are, Blaze Master? Are you who I think you are? I think I do. I think I know who you are, Blaze Master. Alright, so what's this? A memo, stated now.
Yes,
Lion
I got a
statues.
medal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a medal.
You got the medal. That's nice. We have to go back then. Where did you find the medal anyway?
Yeah, I went upstairs.
All right, I'm coming there just
Yeah.
so I can see what's what. I'll take a look. I'll look around
Oh.
real quick.
Yeah,
Whoa!
there's a hunt. Yeah, I have there's a hunter rifle here, but I'll leave it for you.
No, I got the shotgun. It's fine. Don't worry about me, my friend. Don't worry about me. I'm looking around.
Well, I have like
Wow, so
100.
I found so much stuff here.
Oh, you're downstairs, right?
What?
Nah.
I'm coming.
said
I was just looking around. There's so much stuff. I'm coming back because I got distracted with how big this area is.
Yeah, I'm coming out. There's nothing upstairs. Except for an empty hunting rifle.
Yeah, but at least it's safe. I'm coming.
Yeah, there's a hunting rifle, but it's empty.
I think the hunting rifle. There you are. Watch out! There's birds around.
Yeah.
I think the hunting rifle uses shotgun rounds. I think.
Oh no. Different round.
Different. Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's magnum round.
All right, so let's go this way.
Okay.
Let's go down. I found the secret passage.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, your leader follow.
Who do you think I am? I don't know. Have I seen you this morning, Blaze Master? Have I seen you? No, but if you're not, I'm sorry. I was confusing with someone else because your username is similar to that of someone I know.
By the way.
That's why. There's an herb here if you want it.
I know. I'm fine.
All right. Okay. Let's go this way. Let's see what's this.
Well,
Oh,
I'm
alligator.
poisoned.
Oh, it requires a key.
Yeah.
It requires an alligator key. So, I found the secret passage. Come this way.
Yeah, we need to use the middle to get the key.
Yes, I found a secret passage this way. I don't know where it leads to though. Let's see where it takes us. Oh, this way. This way.
Oh, this way.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Alright, so Silent has some feedback to give us. My corpse has 2 bullets of hunting rifles, if we can go find him. But I don't know where we don't know where you died actually, so. There's a lion! There's a lion! Whoa! Help me! Help me! Oh my goodness, there's a lion! The lion! The lion! Okay, my gun is empty! My gun is empty! I need to reload. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh my goodness! This lion needs to go.
my God.
This lion needs to go.
Yeah. Actually, I think it's better if we just.
Alright.
Oh no! Oh no! I made a mistake.
Oh, I kicked the lion! I kicked the lion! That's badass.
Oh, I made a huge mistake. I need to go
Oh
back.
my goodness! This lion is kicking my butt! I'm gonna... I'm kicking the lion. That is awesome.
Yeah. I made a huge mistake. I left the handgun ammo in the...
Oh, he died! He died with the knife! That is fantastic! That is awesome. Sorry if I asked questions, you already answered my way. Alright. No, that's fine, that's fine.
I got the key.
You got the key, nice.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Do you need healing? You don't...
Yeah, I'm on a drink.
Okay.
I'm on
Take
orange
the...
caution.
Yes, combine the herbs and use them because it will slow down your poison.
Yeah. Yeah, but I need the handgun ammo. We have to go back.
Handgun ammo. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I left them in the... when I... No, I know where they are.
Yeah, I'm looking around so to see if there's any items for you. Maybe some rounds, maybe some healing, I don't know. Maybe a blue herb.
Yeah, there's a lot of red herbs. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of
So
red herbs.
this is where you got the key here on the floor? Alligator key,
Yeah.
yes. Alright, I'm not gonna pick it up. What's this on over here then? What's this?
Where?
Oh, raccoon medal. I found the other raccoon medal, okay.
Nice.
Alright, so let's go unlock that door first.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go upstairs first, where
Alright,
I got the hunter rifle.
Alright, yes.
To get the ammo back. Because that's where I left the ammo.
But I think over there, I don't know if that leads to the same place. Stage. What's this? Stage. This is not the same place. This is not the same place we came out of, huh? No, this is a different place. Whoa.
Well,
What's this place? What's
I
over
found
here?
an antidote.
Raccoon. Ah, I found another raccoon medal. I don't need it.
Okay, good.
Or do I
found
need it? Or do I need it? I don't know. Raccoon medal. I think I need it actually.
Um, yeah, I have a medal and you have a medal.
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take the medal as well. Because I think we need both. Alright, let's see.
I don't like the sound of this.
I don't like the hole over there. Maybe we can go through. Let's see if we can go through. Hold on, what is this?
There's something so dark to see.
Oh,
I think we need the lighter in here.
Pamphlet is stuck in here. Alright.
Or maybe...
Backseat means like when people tell you how to play the game. Like, do this, do that. That won't open. This one's definitely locked.
Yeah, so... I don't think there's anything here, right?
No, I don't think there's anything here now. It's uselessness. Alright, so, we need to go through the hole again, because that's where we came up earlier.
Yeah.
That's alright, Cherry. I just read your comment about not speaking on Discord. That's fine. That's fine. Alright, let's go through the hole over here.
Okay.
And I'll take you back upstairs. Well, I mean, you know where it is.
Yeah. Yeah, I know where it is.
Watch out, there's the birds again. On the bird again. Look out for the bird! The big bird! Oh, and there's a hyena as well.
Yeah.
Whoa! Help me, please! Thanks. You got the bird, nice, with the knife. The knife is really good, actually.
Yeah, this is actually David's knife.
Yeah, the knife is fantastic. You killed the lion with the knife.
Huh?
You
Oh
killed
yeah.
These medals are exactly the same. I just realized. No, are they? Yeah, they're exactly the same, these medals. We'll go back to the place where we put the medals and we'll see what it does. Alright, so you got the rifle, hunter rifle thingy.
Oh no, I dropped it. Where I picked the key up. Because I think it's pointless.
I don't know. So let's go.
So wait, do we need the... We're done with the elephant key, right? Alligator key?
I'm not so
No.
sure. I'm not so sure.
Oh no, we're not done yet. We just picked it up.
Not
Okay,
so
we'll
sure.
have to go back. Yeah, we'll have to go back. So where we started.
Yes, next to the office is where we put the medals. Hey Vloggy, do you have any sausage in there? No sausage today. Oh, I feel like sausage now. Why did you remind me of sausage? I want sausage. Sausages.
Well, I have noodles.
I want sausages. I feel like sausages. Actually, I think I'm gonna cook some sausages after this.
Yeah, I have some noodles.
Can we complete this? Can we complete this? Come on, I think we're gonna do this. Well, I mean, it's on easy.
Yeah.
Look, the crocodile is still dead. You see, I did a GG.
Hey, Sapphire!
Hey, it's Mr. Sapphire in the house. Hello, Sapphire. Thank you, my friend.
Hey, Sapphire! Get Outbreak. We need to play with you.
What?
Yeah, I'm talking to Sapphire. He needs to get this game.
Yeah,
Go
get this
figure.
game, Sapphire. This is awesome sauce. Alright, let's go through here.
Yeah, go through here. To the bees and get poisoned.
What did you mean by I think I know who you are? No, the thing is, Blaze, you have the same username, a similar username to a friend of mine that is also Blaze, and I thought it was you. I thought it was him, that's all. So, nothing. Never mind. Alright, hurry up! It's the bees! It's the bees! Hurry up!
Oh no!
Oh man,
No.
did I get poisoned? No, poisoned. There's no way around this. You have to get poisoned here.
Well, there's
My corpse.
some,
Oh, did you see his corpse? Did you see Silent's corpse?
what is it?
I think it was next to the bees. I'm not gonna risk though.
Yeah, it's just in the bees room, but because I saw.
Ah! Nice. Nice.
Okay.
So which way
Yeah,
now?
I saw his items earlier.
Let's go up here. Maybe we
Wait,
can find. We're both poisoned. My goodness.
Wait, there's something here.
I'm gonna see if there's a blue orb or something up here. Yeah, you can. Oh, you can exchange the items. That's right. You can exchange the items. Oh, yeah, but you can exchange the. I mean, you can exchange the items without even being next to the corpse if you want the.
No.
But anyway, he doesn't have the hunter rifle anymore, do you? No, he doesn't have the hunter rifle anyway, so it's never.
Yeah, I didn't have it.
All right, so let's
I
get
don't
out of
think
here.
I mean, I don't think I need it for the scenario. Yeah, there's nothing upstairs.
No.
No, there is some antidote, but we have to go back.
All right, let's go. There is an antidote in that room. Really? Did we miss it? Ah, whatever, man. Let's go. I don't want to lose cheer.
Yeah, oh yeah, you won't lose me. Okay, where are you now?
Elephant stage now. At the elephant stage. Are
Yeah.
Are you there as well?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm at the elephant stage.
Alright.
Yeah, I just got in.
Oh, there you are. I see. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
I think we're locked here. There's no way out of here. No, there's a door.
Oh no,
here.
no.
There's a door here.
Okay, good. I need this. So, how many medals do we need?
How many of what?
Medals.
I don't know. I think we just need one more actually.
Yeah, I have one, and you have one, right?
Yeah, that's right. But I dropped. I actually had two. I was carrying two, but I dropped one because they're exactly the same. So, so.
I think that's wait, there's something here. What is it?
What?
Oh, I'm going.
Now, which way to the? If you stay there, Dumbo will wreck the gate. Yes, I know, Silent. I know that much. He will wreck the gate sooner or later. Maybe go through here. Hold on. I'm gonna take this door. We will play Showdown, Sherry. We will play Showdown, but not now. It's too soon. We're gonna play them in order.
So, what are you now?
Ah! There we go. That door that I took.
Which one? The south? Going south?
I don't know how to describe.
Yeah, I went south to where we started.
I found where I have to go. I found the room where we need to go with the office. I mean, you can just wait for me while I deposit the medals.
Yeah, I'm gonna go unlock the alligator door.
Okay.
If I can find it.
I think it's when you shoot him he breaks the gate. Really? I don't know. All right. So. I'm gonna go through here. And thank you for subscribing, Blaze Master. I appreciate that. I try my best to give good content. It's true, I'm not just saying that. So I'm gonna put this here. There we go.
Okay, I found it.
So there's like two lights now. Now I think I can push the statue. Hold on. Alright, I'm pushing the statue now. I don't know what it does, but... Beep, boop,
Yeah,
beep.
it's okay.
Painting. Nothing's happening though. What? Does it require more medals? There's a place on it for a medal. What? It requires more medals?
Yeah, how many medals do you need?
I put one in. I only put
Yeah?
one, but I don't know if it's gonna make it. I don't know really.
Hold on. Yeah, I think it's like the tiger statue in the first game.
Shotgun rounds, nice. I don't know what I'm supposed to do now. Ah, okay, I had to step on it. Alright. And what does it give me? Rifle rounds! I found rifle rounds! Yes! For you! That's what the medal gave us. Just rifle rounds.
Yeah, that is something else. But we need more medals for it.
You think so? Do you have another one on you?
Yeah, I have one.
Do you wanna come and bring it over here?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm at the office now.
Alright. I'm here.
Okay, see you, Freddy. Take care.
Who's leaving? Freddy? Alright, Freddy,
Fred-
no problem. Thank you so much for hanging out, buddy.
Yeah.
Thank you for hanging out with
Nice.
us. You're awesome. You need 4 coins for emblem. Oh no, man! I had one. I dropped it. Whoops.
Well, it's good because we can get the rifle now. The hunting rifle. Well, I already unlocked the alligator key. Okay, so where's the office that you should go to?
You have to go back to the beginning, like where
Oh wait, I am at the office. Yeah, we need to.
What's this? Where does this take me? Ah, okay, this is just okay. Is there anything in this locker? It's locked with a simple lock. I cannot open it. Ah, Veronica retweeted my stream. Thank you. Thank you. I haven't played. I don't think I ever streamed Metal Slug. I want to stream Metal Slug one of these days. Oh, I see you. I see you, Cheer. I found you.
Yeah, I'm in the office now.
Okay, I'm gonna wait here. Oh, did you put the medal already? Because it says 3 now.
Yeah, I've already pressed it.
Oh, okay, good. So
Yeah.
we need to do the other, find more medals then.
Wait, what is this?
Man, and I dropped that medal. My goodness, I have to go back for it.
Yeah. Well, we can get the. There's some antidote there.
Where are you? I need to give you the. Oh, there you are. I'm gonna give you the rifle. Oh, are you equipping the rifle?
No, I don't have it.
Oh,
I dropped
okay, all right. I picked them up for nothing
it.
then.
Yeah, we can go pick it up now.
If you want, there's some ammo here for the rifle.
Yeah, I'm just gonna carry it just in case.
Okay. So we need to go backtrack, and
Okay.
go find those medals because.
Yeah, I think there's like one of the B, as it's the B area.
Oh,
No.
oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
But there's
I think there's an area we still haven't unlocked as well.
what?
We had the alligator key. Hold on.
Yeah, I've already unlocked the door for that.
Let's see. What is this door? What does this door say? Oh, this is open actually. I went through. Oops.
Wait.
Path in front
Oh,
of the
yeah,
observation
that's
deck.
that's the alligator key. That's the door. I just unlocked it now.
Okay. I'm coming next to you. Oh, you're coming. Okay, good. So this leads to nowhere. Oh! Whoa! Watch out! Nice. Run. Ah, man, he's still after me. So which way? Do we go this way?
Sit down.
You can kill Dumbo or Simba with 3 shots of hunting rifle. Oh, okay. Dumbo or Simba. I like the nicknames that you gave them. Dumbo or Simba.
In this level, we don't have to kill Bambi. Yeah, I'm
so-
going up inside because there's an antidote.
So we don't need the alligator key.
No, we need it. I used it upstairs.
Alright.
Yeah.
So we don't need it anymore, I mean. We don't need it anymore?
No, we don't need it anymore.
Okay.
So where are you now?
I am where we killed Simba.
Okay, I'm coming with some antidote.
I'm trying to...
For the poison.
I'm trying to...
I think the rifle is over there.
shotgun
I left
rounds.
the rifle over there.
Yes, I saw it. Yeah, it's there. I saw it.
Good. Wait, so I have to crawl through the hole.
Getting hungry. I didn't eat properly before I started the stream, and now I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, I had a bowl of noodles before the stream.
There you are. Okay, so let me show you.
Hold
where
on.
the
Wait,
rifle
wait.
is.
Wait,
Yeah,
take this.
Hey,
I'll
you.
take it.
You can need it.
Antidote. Oh yes, thank you very much. Ah, much better. Alright, so take the hunting rifle. I'm not so sure. Oh, it's over here next to the herb.
Okay.
Is it the hunting rifle anyway? I think so, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's,
it is.
yeah, this is where I left it. Okay, good.
Alright, so, let's try look for those medals.
I think there's a medal in the, what do you call it? The place that looks like stage.
The stage?
Yeah, the stage area.
Alright, let me go look for them real quick. Hold on, and we'll show.
I'm not sure because there's a place there that says too dark to check it out. There's like a horn there.
Let me see. No, there's nothing here. There's something in the hole. It's too dark to see. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think we need the.
That's interesting. Any tips? Any tips, Silent? What about this? Is there something in here? Streamer, could you tell me what they answer when I ask? What did you ask? Sorry. What about? I will not be next. I don't know how to play Underbelly. Oh, me neither. No, I mean we can play it again with infinite ammo if you want. You can come. You can join us when we play it with infinite ammo.
Yeah.
So, there's a lying. There's a control to light the stage. Oh, really? Where is it? Up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs. Are we missing some stairs? There's somewhere to control the stage. The lights. But this is locked, yes. It won't open.
Up the stairs. Wait.
Yeah, I see a light up there. Look, there is a light up there.
Yeah, I see it.
All right, let's get out of here. I think over here. Let's go back.
Yeah. Hold on. Wait. I think I saw something.
Next to the yellow door. Silent Streamer says next to the yellow door. Hold on.
Yeah.
Did we miss it?
Oh yeah. There's a ladder here.
Ladder.
Yeah. I found it.
Really?
It's yeah.
Oh
It's on
my
the right.
goodness! Yeah, I see it now. My goodness, it's so well hidden. Wow, there it is. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. That's.
I've never been up
somewhere.
here. I've never been up here. I finished the game, but I never did this. Machines. Switch. There we go. Cool. Do you want to go get it? Actually, no. I'll go get it. There's a. Oh, hold on. Let me go. Because actually, let's go both. Let's both of us go. Actually,
Yeah.
because
Yeah. Let's go out.
there's a lion. We need to handle.
Yeah. I'll distract the lion, and you take.
Okay, we got this. Sounds like a plan. Let's go.
Come on, go the other way. Oh, I don't think you can.
Oh wow,
Is it?
GG. Nice. So, all right, the lion emblem. Oh, we found it. There it is. It's in there. I got it. We're out of this. We're out of here.
Come on.
Oh, he's coming back.
Okay.
Follow me. We got it. No point in staying here. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Exit.
Run. And I got another tip, but I didn't see it. Different way.
Wow, that was hilarious.
Walks near the door.
All right, so we just need to place the medal and we're done here. The emblem, I mean.
Yeah, we need another emblem.
Hey,
We use
I
the
think we
emblem.
need.
We use the emblem here.
Yeah.
Look.
Okay, I think we're done.
Not so sure.
That's the end.
Let's go. Let's see.
Hold on, let me reload.
Yeah, I'm full. I need some healing. Is there any herbs around? Let me see.
Well, there's some red herbs. That's about it.
I'm gonna take the red just in case.
Yeah, there's one to the right.
Yeah, I see
At the
it.
gate.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. I'm coming. Wait for me! Wait for me!
I thought we had to collect all the medals to get the emblem. That was weird.
Front gate. I think this is the end.
We're safe. Oh, I found so many green herbs. Wow.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, of course it's not gonna end though.
Okay.
What?
Oh God.
Lion?
Okay.
Lion?
Yeah, this is a lion. This
Oh,
is
so
a
it's
final
different.
boss.
Oh, so it's different scenarios. Last time I played this, I had to battle an elephant. What the heck?
Yeah, I think.
It's so different.
Yeah, I think last time you didn't lock the door.
I don't know
think.
I don't know what we did
Or-
last time. I don't know what we did. It's so strange. I don't know what determines. Whoa! Okay, you need to equip your hunter rifle because the hunter rifle is better.
Yeah.
Whoa, he's so fast! That dodging though. I'll take the herb. Alright, now we need business. Let's handle Simba. Oh, he's up there. Nice. No, he's just recovering or something. Come on, Simba. Uh oh, he's gonna jump down. He's gonna jump down. Ah! Ooh, that's stun lock. I stun locked him. Oh my god, it's empty! Whoa! Cheer, help me!
Yeah, let's just go down to where I am. You want
That's what I'm doing, that's what I'm doing. Alright, we got this.
He's skipping around. Oh, wait.
A zombie lion. That is awesome. I've never seen this before. Uh-oh.
Let's just go down to the left.
I don't need really, I'm full.
Oh, there's something turning over there.
Heal. We're good. I'm good.
Virtual knife. What do you mean the virtual knife?
Did he come down? Or he did?
Oh, he's down.
We got him.
I think
Yes.
Yeah, yes, we got him.
I thought he was gonna mutate or something. If they unlock the gate, the Dumbo will come. If I lock the gate, so the Dumbo will stay and Simba comes. No, but sometimes he smashes the I don't know what determines. Sometimes he smashes the gate. I don't know what determines what, to be honest with you. I don't know.
Maybe it's on hard. It does that on hard. This one's over there. Hang on. So, we're done, right?
Yeah, but we need to go to the train now. We need to get in the train.
What's this? First aid?
Is this it? Is this the train? It's better make sure it's safe before I can get in the jam car. Oh, there's the shot. Okay, there we go.
Okay. Back.
If you stay too long, the Dumbo will wreck the gate. Oh, that's why then. Okay, we speed run the thing because you were helping us.
Oh yeah.
It wasn't a bad part of town, really.
Nice.
Even a good-for-nothing son of a bitch like me might be able to get a few jollies there. I shouldn't have allowed myself to think like that.
Whoa.
Whoa.
What just happened? Did you get the same thing?
Yeah, I got knocked down.
Yeah.
It was no time to think of having fun.
In my scenario, you must be driving. Because I'm on the seat by myself.
No, in my server, I'm on this in the seat.
Okay,
I'm not
so
seeing you.
in your scenario, I'm driving, and in my scenario, you're driving.
Yeah.
The zombies are coming down. I love the music.
Oh yeah.
The police and the National Guard continue their efforts to keep the
Yes,
chaos in
Cherry,
some
yes, Sim.
semblance of
Sim.
control. Their mission is proving to be more
Yes, you can.
even the most pessimistic.
That was good.
Oh yeah, it was. It was tough, but it was good.
Oh, what we can do, we can play yesterday's scenario. Again, the one in the police station if you want.
Oh yeah,
Let's
we
do
should.
that one. Let's do that one.
Yeah. Don't forget to save.
I'm gonna save. Why not?
Yeah. Yeah, don't be like true. Or just quick no.
So I'm gonna.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do for this one, I'm gonna do it on. I'm gonna do the police station. We're gonna have unlimited ammo, but on hard. How about that?
Yeah, you make it again.
Let's do that.
Sounds good.
Do it on very hard? No. How about very hard in the police? Very hard or hard? What do you think, Cheer? Hard or very hard?
Let's go with very hard.
Let's go with very hard. You
Yeah, since we have, infinite ammo.
Yeah, we're gonna have infinite ammo, but it's gonna be on very hard. Let's do that.
Yeah, the only thing we have to worry about is the gas.
So infinity. So free. I'm gonna create a room real quick.
Oh, someone is playing your flashback on hard.
So, infinity is on.
Wait.
Infinity level is very hard. Room title is. Block.
Well, someone is playing desperate times. Very hard, I think.
Okay. You need to make sure you go to the infinity area now, not the free mode, the infinity, okay?
Infinity?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So, infinity.
Vloggy. I made it Vloggy.
Trophy.
Yeah.
I don't see you.
Actually, you know what? Hold on. I'm gonna change the name. Actually, never mind. You guys see this. Infinity on and finish. Okay, so I created the room. There's no password, so anybody can join if they want.
Trophy. Wild thing. We're doing wild things again.
What? No, what did I do? No, I forgot to
Yeah,
choose
what?
this. I did wild things by mistake. Sorry.
It's alright.
I'm
It's
gonna
alright.
change it. I'm gonna change it. Hold on.
That's aggressive.
My bad. So, wild things needs to be desperate times, and the room title is gonna be. I'm just gonna make it VH for very hard. And infinity on. Alright, finish. It's created. So anybody can join. It's gonna be on very hard, but we have unlimited ammo, so that's for that.
Right? BH?
Sorry? Yes, VH, that's right. VH. It's gonna be very hard, but with infinite ammo. So you
Yeah.
have one thing, you hate the other.
Yeah, I'm in.
All we need to do. If anybody wants to join, I'm gonna leave it for another minute. Let me know in chat, so we'll wait for you if you want to join. My connection's going nuts, so you can't join. It's fine. It's fine. Sherry, you wanna join? I'm gonna wait for you to answer, in case you wanna join. So I was gonna say something, I forgot. Yeah, all we need to do is just find good weapons. If you can find the Magnum, we're good.
Alright.
If you can find a shotgun, we're good. And yeah, okay. Someone came in. We have 3 people in now. I don't know if it's Sherry, but yeah, there's 3 people in. I'm gonna wait. Go. Tahanaim says go. I don't know if it's Sherry though. Is that you, Sherry? I'm gonna wait a couple of more seconds. I love how people come in and they say go. Dude, you just joined. You don't tell me what to do. Unless it's Sherry telling us she's in. We're starting. We're starting in 3, 2, 1.
Game begins shortly.
Yep. Let's see.
So,
Let's leave the cutscene because it's the first time playing it today.
yeah, let's leave it. Who's drunk? Wait, is that Jill Gomez?
I don't know. It's the same.
Take a look at
same
this.
picture. But I
It's a
don't know.
map of this place back when it was an art museum. There should be a ventilation tunnel underground.
And that'll get us out of here?
It should, but it's so narrow you might be the only one who can fit through.
So I'll get help and come back, right? Looks like it's a race against time.
Now that we've lost communications, there's nothing else we can do. All right, everyone. We've got to hurry up and find a way into that tunnel. It's going to be our way out of here.
So we should meet at the main hall, right?
Yeah, let's meet at the main hall so we can all gather together.
Alright then.
Alright, so
Do this.
I'm far away from the hall, so...
Okay, I'm in the office. Oh wow. I like.
Oh, shit!
Yeah, infinity mode. Yes, it is, Nikala. Yes, it is. Alright, so, I'm gonna get out of here. Let's see if there's anything of interest here.
Oh!
You have infinite ammo. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. You can just shoot.
No, I got attacked by
Gather together, hold hands together, then die together. You know it. What?
I got dead.
What?
Yeah, I'm in there.
No, no, no. No, 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 no. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Whew, gas started coming out. Whew, okay. Use herb to stop the virus gauge. That's true. We can do that.
They put me in a room with a zombie.
Did you die already?
No, I'm almost dead.
Come on,
Wait.
man. Come on, man.
Yeah,
Don't
I'm.
die on me, man. Don't die.
Yeah, I'm on the floor.
Oh, really? Wow, where are you? Do you know which area? Maybe I can come find you.
No, I'm fine. I messed some herbs, and I'm fine right now.
Alright, alright. Let's meet in the main hall. So we have each
Yeah.
other's back.
Yeah,
In the main
yeah, but
hall.
I need a gun.
Which way to the main hall
Yeah,
is this?
yeah, I'm in the lobby now, right now.
Alright, I'm coming. I'm just looking around real quick to see if there's...
But I need a gun. What? I'm still in danger? Okay,
Are you kidding me? There's gas coming out every couple of seconds.
the door is locked for to the hallway.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
I need a gun fast. Because there's a zombie behind me. And I don't have a
Because
knife.
you don't have a weapon yet, that's the thing.
No, I do have a knife.
The knife is not good. No, you need actual
Yeah.
firearm. I'm coming for you. I'm gonna try to come for you because I don't know.
The room is gas. There's gas.
I'm coming.
Yeah. Thanks.
I don't know if I'm close to. Wow. Every couple of seconds, the alarm goes off.
Yeah.
Oh, I found you.
Yeah. Go ahead, fellas.
There we go. You made it.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, that's not you. Wait, is that you?
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm the shortest one.
I don't know. Hold on, hold on.
Yeah,
All right, there
that's
you
me.
are. Hold on, I'm gonna
the-
give you. I'm gonna give you something. Hold on. Present. Take it.
Okay,
And use it.
David!
You're shirtless. I like that. That is so cool. Can you come over to here where I am? Can you come over here where I am? I want to take a screenshot. This is awesome.
Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, I can, but let me first heal. I think there's
Yeah.
a first aid.
Did you use the herb I gave you? Wow, you're still on danger? You used the herb and you're still on danger.
Yeah.
Wow, that's not good. Alright, hold on. That's not good. Let me see if I can find something for you then. Hold on.
Yeah, I think.
Nothing. Alright, no problem. I'm gonna give you another of my herbs. Hold on. That's not good. Hold on. Present. Take my herb. Maybe you'll get better now.
Okay.
Hey, Red! Red is here. I didn't see Red. I mean, I read his comment, but I didn't realize it was Red. Oh, man.
I need a gun.
Okay,
This
at
sniper
least
is-
you're on caution. At least you're just on caution now. At least you're
Yeah.
not on...
Okay, I'm gonna go to this corner.
You should hang
Yeah.
out with me so I can have your back every single time.
No, I'll be fine until I get a gun. Okay, I'm standing near the door. The main door. The main gate.
Trying to think which is the best way. Okay, Alyssa's here as well. Alyssa doesn't have a gun either. My goodness. This is a mess. Do you guys want to wait for me here? She's trying to give me something, Alyssa. What's that? What's she trying to give me? Hold on. She took it back. Alright. Do you want to wait for me here while I try to go get a gun for you, perhaps?
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
Wait, maybe she's giving. Okay, no, yeah, good, good. I have a handgun.
It's not Infinity, I just used it. It's not Infinity. Alright, so I'm gonna look around to see if I can find a weapon or something.
Oh, wait.
Alright, there's nothing in here. You're gonna do fine, Red. You're gonna be okay. Don't worry about it. Alright, so, where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay. You wanna follow me? You wanna follow me? So, wait. You said the capsule medicine is Infinity in this mode. The capsule medicine. I'm not so sure. Okay, anyway, you wanna follow me, Cheer? And I'll protect you. I'll protect you until we find the gun for you. Until we find the gun for you. I think I know.
Oh, I have a gun.
Oh,
I have a gun now.
Oh, you got a gun. That's great. Okay, so let's.
Yeah, I got it from. Yeah, I got it from Alyssa.
Oh, okay. So
Where's it?
what is Alyssa gonna do
Yeah.
then?
It was a broken gun, so I fixed it.
Oh, nice. Okay, that's great. All right, so be careful. Let's stick together.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Wait, it's in infinite ammo, right?
Yes, it is infinite ammo. So don't hesitate to shoot.
Oh, I won.
Take the blue herb. Take the blue herb, Cheer, because that slows down your virus in case the gas goes off. I said medicine, like capsule, red capsule, or... Okay, okay. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Comes in.
There's no.
Watch out, zombie. Zombie never stood a chance.
Don't be a
Yeah,
moron.
keep going.
I wish I could find a shotgun.
I think there's a shotgun around in here.
Don't stay close to the windows. Stay away from the windows, okay?
Yeah, I know, I know.
There's a green herb as well if you want to pick it up. And there's a blue herb as well. If I can find a shotgun, we're gonna be okay.
Yeah, I think there's something in the room.
Oh, I found something here. Yes, I found the first plate, which is good. And what's this? What is this? I don't need magazines.
Oh yeah. Hey, we have the doors. Okay, I think.
I need to take a screenshot of you. Oh, watch out for the zombie! The zombie fighting you.
Sucks.
Oh,
We're good.
okay. Hold on.
I need
I'm
to.
gonna get across you.
I need to find a good pose. I need to find a good.
Hey,
Oh, is this it? Is this the capsule you're talking about, Silent? Is this it?
David.
Is this it?
Hell?
Oh, this is the recovery piece, though.
Son of a bitch.
Oh, I think.
Heaven.
I need to find a good screenshot of you without your shirt. It's so good. What?
Damn,
You
the
fell on the
zombies
floor?
are-
What happened? Why are you on the floor?
The zombies are going all over the place.
Hold on. Do
they're
you
like-
have any healing? No, you don't. Hold on. Present. Take.
Wait, there is some herbage outside.
Hold on. Zombie's coming in.
Hey, you.
Uh oh. We need to move.
No! Get out of here! Get out of here!
Yeah, I'm going out.
For Infinity mode, just killing the fun of the game. I don't think so. Look at us. We're still struggling. We're trying to make your character talking. Oh, okay. Ah, that's nice. Alright, so, you need something. Whoa, look at all those zombies on the back! Whoa, whoa,
Oh no!
whoa, whoa.
Wait. Did it ever come?
Whoa! Caution! Warning! Get through the door! Get through the door! Can you meet me in the main hall?
Yeah, I'm going there. Not sure if I'm gonna make it, but I'll be there.
This has a blue capsule. I want to see what the capsule's like. I have no idea what these capsules are like that Simon's talking about.
Oh no! I'm dead.
No, really?
Yeah.
You're dead, completely dead? Like... Dead? No way out?
Yeah, I'm like 100%
Oh,
no.
you're dead. Okay then, you are dead. Oh man.
Yeah.
You see, it's not easy. It's still not easy.
Yeah, I need the cure, Vloggy.
You need
I
a
need
cure.
the cure. Give me the cure.
Oh man. You see, it's not easy. It's really not easy.
Okay, I'm
coming.
going to the
I'm
lobby.
coming to where you are. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm at the lobby right now. Oh, it's gassy. There's gas in the lobby.
Oh, okay.
Where are you, in the main hall?
Alyssa has a blue capsule. I want to see. I want to
Wait,
see what
are
the
you in the
capsule
main
looks
hall?
like. Yeah, I'm coming in I'm coming out of the main hall now. I'm coming back to the first.
Don't go to the lobby. It's gas.
That's fine. I'm okay. I'm gonna...
Oh, it's hey, hold on. Let's take a screenshot first before you give me the cure.
I wanted to. Yeah. Yes. I'm gonna open the door for you. Hold on.
Hold on. Yeah, I'm in the main hall.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stand still.
Come in. Yeah, stand still.
Hold on.
Actually, what we should do, she's in the way. Alyssa's in the way. Alright, approach me.
Okay,
Approach me.
hold on.
Okay, yeah, that's good. That was good. I will take a
Hold on.
screenshot. Looks like you're trying to hug me. That's good. Alright. Now I'm gonna give you the cure, okay? I'm gonna give you the cure now. The cure is good for you. Medna! Hello!
Hey, Minna!
You won't auto-aim to do it.
No, you can't auto aim hard.
Oh, wow! That's why. Okay, you're dead.
What?
Rip. So, the capsule. Where's the capsule? She doesn't have a capsule. Stun gun? Handgun. I don't see the capsule.
Yeah, I don't have the capsule.
Alright, let's start over because it's not fair. It's not fair. We need to start over. It's not fair. You died. It's not fair.
Yeah, let's go with maybe hard or normal.
Hey!
Or we should stick to very hard.
Let's stick to very hard. Come on, let's try again. Come on, this was fun.
Yeah.
This was fun. Come on, let's do this again.
Yeah,
Let's do this again.
I think each character like has a specific.
You need to choose a character that has a gun so you can protect yourself right away from the
Yeah,
beginning.
the only one that has a gun is Kevin.
No, there's also True's character, Mark.
He has a gun? No, I
Yeah,
don't think so.
he starts with a gun. Yes, he starts with a gun.
Yeah, but it's true. I cannot use him.
No, it's true.
I mean, I'm David. That's
Ask for permission. True, can I use your fat ass character?
well. I mean, David has a knife from the very start.
Oh man, I would love to do this on very hard. It's so good. It's so challenging. I love it. You see, yeah.
Yeah, Mark has a standard gun.
Maybe we can stand by. Is it? Let's do it again one more time on very hard. Come on, we can do this. We
Okay.
can do this. If I do say so myself. I'm gonna create a room.
Yeah.
So, let's say PH, very hard. No password, number of players 4, very hard. Friendly fire. I'm gonna leave friendly fire off. That's not complicated.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna create the room. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. So, in the meantime, we'll wait for someone to join. Everybody's welcome to join, guys. Everybody's welcome. In the meantime, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Once I'm back, we're gonna start the round. Be right back.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick with David C. Showdown 3. Yeah, maybe we'll do it next round. Welcome back.
Okay. I'm gonna have a sip.
Ice cream.
Let's start the game. We're 3 people again. That's good.
Yeah, so then I feel like eating ice cream. So I just need to get some.
We can skip the cutscene now.
Okay.
No, Sherry, it's too soon for a showdown. Yeah, David can do a knife combo, I noticed, yes.
Yeah. No.
Oh, again, we're back here. I'm back here again.
Yeah, I'm at the office again.
Where are you?
The office.
Okay, if you cannot, like, if you need help, I'm coming. Or you can wait for me at the main hall, whatever is best. I'm on my way.
But the door in the lobby is locked. So I can't go to the main hall.
Okay, so someone has to unlock it for you then.
Yeah.
Caution. Warning. Caution. Warning.
My goodness, it's gas everywhere. It's like it gases the room right away. Is there a gun out here? Nope, no gun, no gun. Come on, stupid crow. Alright, just...
Really? Oh god. Not again.
What's wrong?
I'm
You're GG
in
already.
danger. I'm in the lobby and there's a zombie and I'm in danger right now.
Oh no, come on, man. I'm gonna quickly take this.
Caution.
Oh, caution again.
Caution. Warning.
I'm dead.
Really, already?
Potentially.
It's because you start without a gun, perhaps. I don't know.
No! In the office, there's nothing in the office.
You don't have a knife, you don't have a tool to attack. This is because you start without weapons.
No, I do have a knife. But it's weak.
I'm on my way.
Yeah, I'm heading to the office.
I'm on my way, I'm on my way.
I'm in the main hall right now.
You're in the main hall. In the main hall, you're safe.
Yeah. Yeah, we're both there right now.
I'm coming, just picking up a bunch of herbs, because we need this. Kevin can deal twice damage with his gun. Make exactly, yes. Same as the Magnum handgun. Yes, if I...
Caution. Warning.
Come on, man.
Caution.
I just got here.
Warning.
It's already warning me. Caution warning. We can't stay in the room for too long. We have to get out every single time. Sometimes I just walk into a room and it's already caution, warning, caution. Alright, are we playing with the same person again? I didn't even notice.
Yeah, I think so. I think it's Jay Gomez.
Is it?
I think so.
Anyway, so, where are you?
In the main hall.
I
Near
just
the...
got here. Yes, I just got here. Do you need healing? Oh, yeah, you do. Wow.
Excuse me.
Oh,
What
no.
am I giving you? Kathy? I've never seen this character before. Kathy.
I think she's one of the... I don't know. Thanks. Okay, I'm fine.
You're fine. Do you want to go look for a weapon, perhaps, for you?
Yeah, I'm going upstairs. Maybe there is something.
Okay, stay safe, buddy. Stay safe. Even if it means maybe stay in the main hall while I try to go get you a gun, perhaps.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay in the main hall.
Yeah, the main hall is definitely safe. So if you can stay in the main... Saranya! Hello! Alright, get some sleep silent. Thank you so much for hanging out with us and for the tips and all that. It's very useful. Outside, the police station is even safe as well. If you want to pick up, there's some herbs as well. Let's see if there's a gun or something. I'm gonna look for a gun for you. Kathy
Yeah.
is NPC. What? NPC?
Yeah, she's I think she's one of the NPCs in the game.
So it's not a real character.
Hey, Jim.
So it's not a real character. I don't get it. It's not a real person playing. Hey, Jin. Jin, hello. Welcome. Man, this game is hard, huh? Alright, there's nothing... Okay, so the safe areas for you are the police station for the time being. Outside the police station, it's safe as well. I mean, the main hall. The main hall on the second floor as well. I'm gonna go look around to see if I can find you a gun. Bear with me. I need to find you a gun. We need to get you a gun. Oh, not this again. Everywhere I go. It's gassy.
Go!
Alright, so I'm gonna look around. Oh, come on!
Go!
This way.
Hold on.
I'm trying to find a gun for you because if I find a gun, we're gonna be okay.
I found the recovery medicine.
Whoa, liquors! There's liquors in this game!
Wait, what?
There's liquors in this game!
Where?
Okay, be careful because there's liquors. I noticed liquors. I'm gonna head downstairs.
Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Let me see if I'm trying to find a gun for you, my goodness. There's no guns. For its sake, visit the official Outbreak community to ask other pro players. They will play with you. Okay, yes. Oh, I found something. Joker key. What? A Joker key? Okay, man. This is not good. I cannot find I cannot find something for you. It's so strange. You can't find weapons. Are you still in the main hall?
Yeah, I'm outside.
Yeah, go outside. There's a bunch of herbs, so you can stock on health.
Yeah, I found the battery. Yeah, now I need the.
Trying to find a weapon for you. I mean, what if I get you a pipe and a battery, and
Yeah.
maybe you can craft?
Caution.
Will
Yeah, I
that
have a battery.
Caution.
will that be infinite ammo? Will that break off? Will that, I don't know. Will that be
I don't
forever?
know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm in the ground now. I went underground to the basement, the parking lot.
Okay, that's where I'm trying to go as well. Oh, so it must be
Yeah.
close.
No, I went from outside. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Through
So it wasn't obstructed, because usually when you try to go through the thing, it says it's blocked.
Oh no, it's not locked.
All right, that's good. I'm coming. I'm almost there as well. Come on.
I'm trying to find the pipe. Make myself go open.
So trying to find a gun for you. What's this door? It's open. Is it open? No, it's locked.
Okay, I found a pipe. Nice.
You found a pipe?
Yeah.
All right. So you can create like a stun rod or something.
Yeah.
But I
Yeah,
don't know. I don't know if it's gonna last forever. I don't know if it's gonna break. There you are. Found you.
Caution.
Whoa! Out! 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 Out!
Caution. Warning.
I'm inside. Okay.
I went through the door. I'm gonna hang here. Oh, even here's gassy. What the heck? Everywhere's gassy.
Maybe
Oh,
we
this
should
is
go
not
outside.
fair. This is not fair. This is cheap. This is not fair. Come on. I mean, like, you're. Okay, I'm gonna go outside.
Yeah, I'm going upstairs. Doesn't know where it's upstairs.
All right, so I'm out.
But yeah, I'm upstairs. First floor, east hallway.
I'm coming.
Oh, that's a liquor here.
I wonder if it's gonna last forever because we're on infinite ammo. I don't know where you are. I lost you.
I'm in the east hallway with the liquor.
Where?
The east hallway,
East hallway. Okay, I'm coming there.
first floor. Yeah, I think it's I think it's infinite ammo, but
I wonder.
Yeah.
okay, I'm in there.
Yeah.
All right, I need.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, I need to run. The room is dirty.
Be careful. It's better if you stick with me because I have a gun.
No, I have the electric rod, but the rooms are full of guys right now.
I'm trying to determine if Kathy is a real person or is AI.
Caution. Warning. Caution. Warning.
I don't know where I'm gonna go. I mean, I know where I need to go, but the game is not letting me because of the freaking gas.
Oh god. Wherever I go, it's always guys.
Yeah, everywhere you go is gas, gas, gas. And have you noticed how we didn't find one of those canisters that clear the gas?
Yeah, I know.
Help!
Who's shouting help?
I think it's Kathy.
What are you doing?
Me?
Oh, it's no, not you. No, this girl is touching the door. I'm gonna open the door for her.
Oh, I'm at the east office right now.
That's where we are. We're trying to open the door.
Which door?
Once you go outside the east office and come to the lobby. Not the lobby, the hallway.
Oh yeah, I'm at the lobby right now.
How is
Yeah,
it? I
we
don't
went
see.
back to the east office.
Yes, east office and then come out. It's like you're going towards the main hall.
To the lobby, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'm in the lobby. So, yeah, I know where to go.
Oh, there you are. There you go. Follow me. Whoa, zombie! You brought the zombie with you.
She wasn't there when I left.
Alright, I'm on caution. Be careful. You need to be careful, huh? You need a healing item.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you one of mine. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Come over here.
I think there is some.
Come over here.
Caution.
Oh! No, come over here.
Let's
Caution.
run.
Warning.
Let's run.
Run.
Yeah.
Whew.
Yeah,
Man, it doesn't even. The game does not even give us time to communicate. Like, take an item, have an item, stay away. Oh, there's the herb. Take the herb.
I don't know why I'm collecting the handgun ammo.
Oh, Kathy is dead. Where's Kathy? Oh, Kathy died.
Really?
Whoa! Wow, nice.
Oh, that's a bike. That's my
Oh, zombie coming. Nice. Have we been in here?
yeah.
I don't think we've been here because I think we've been here before you died last time.
Yeah.
Actually, there we go. I found one of these plates.
Yeah.
I found the emerald plate.
Yeah, I'm gonna take care of the zombies.
Okay.
Or the
Stay away from the gas. Stay away from the gas.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna stick it in this hallway. The one where we were at.
Caution.
Oh no!
Warning.
Where did it go?
Warning.
The gas is coming out and I'm freaking on the other side of the room. Hold on. Okay, I'm coming. Let's go back to the main hall.
Okay.
Main hall, and then I'm gonna place the plate that I found. Oh wow, you're in danger again?
Yeah.
Dude, you suck.
I didn't suck. I had to.
Okay.
Hey,
Here you go. Take mine. Take mine. Oh, run!
Caution.
Oh man!
Warning.
No, we're dead. No, we're doomed. No, we're doomed.
No.
Come on! Why is he going back? Dude, I'm gonna die with you.
No.
I'm trying. I hope the door stays open for you.
Yeah.
Man, it sucks. It's so hard.
Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead.
Oh, you're dead? No.
Yeah.
You found.
Yeah, I'm at 100.
Oh, you went to 100. Ah, man, it's too hard. It's too hard.
Yeah.
It's too hard. Very hard. It's too hard. No. Quit. No. I can't do it again. Well, you failed the interview. Or you already got the feedback? What, they told you right away, like, you failed. Do they do that? Where I'm from, it doesn't happen like that. They will thank you, we'll be in touch, and then they send you a letter or a phone call. They don't tell you.
I love it's like, we're gonna call you. And
Yeah.
They never do.
No, they will, but they tell you you didn't make it. Like, but...
No. Yeah, and where I live, if they don't call you, that means you didn't get it.
Yeah, probably. But it's weird, like, it's weird that they told you right away. I'm sorry to hear it. That's okay. It's their loss. It's their loss. Don't worry. You're better off without them. You're too good for them. Don't worry about it, buddy.
Yeah, you should join. We need more people.
We need more people. Yeah. No, but the more people we are, it's harder to keep track of where everyone is and how to perform puzzles. Sometimes if it's just two people, sometimes I think it's better to handle
Dude.
a team like that. I don't know. Let's go just hard. Do you want to go just hard now?
Yeah, let's go super hard.
Let's go just hard, and we'll take it there from there. So
Yeah, you're too good for them. Wait, can you all hear me?
I can hear you fine.
Yeah. Am I too loud?
No, I don't think you're too loud. I don't know.
Cause I feel like I'm screaming right now.
Alright, so finish. Alright, so hey, Chris, welcome! Welcome! Ah, my back. Alright, so I opened the room. I'm gonna give it a minute. If anybody wants to join, we'll see.
Yeah. Actually, I like here to see. Step by step. Like,
Oh, there's 3 people already. Are you in?
yeah, I'm in.
Alright, so
I
I
think-
think it's the girl again. Starkey. Switch on the AC, they're hot again.
I think that's Jill. If I'm not mistaken. 'Cause-
No, this time it's a guy. Oh no, it's the same. It's the same username. Yeah, it's the same username. So we don't know if it's a guy or a girl.
Yeah. No, because I don't know.
Skip the cutscenes.
Then I have a minute in the office again. Zombie. Okay, I'm where am I?
Oh wow! I spawned at the garage.
Okay, I'm in the second floor.
All right.
I
So
have no
as
idea
always,
where I am.
as always, let's meet in the police station if we can. Angelo, welcome.
Hey, Angela! Oh, wow. I'm at the room with the, what do you call it? The item box.
Okay, I know where you are. Yes, I know where you are. Okay, I know where you are. I'm gonna look around. Stay safe, buddy. I'm gonna look around because I need to see if.
Yeah. Hey, Angelo!
V4, what's this game about? Come on, V4. Stop trolling, girl. Alright, so. I'm gonna look around. Because I think we can find the first plate very soon. I'm very close to find
Really?
the first plate. Let's see.
Really?
Let's try here.
I think I'm dead.
What? You died already?
No, I think. I mean, I'm in the ordering room right now.
I thought you said you died. I was like, no!
No, I'm in the ordering room, but I'm in danger right now.
Oh no.
I don't know.
I'm alive and well. Looking around,
Wait.
looking around, looking around.
Yeah, I've been trying to kill the zombie. I feel like it's skipping.
Autopsy room.
Anyway.
Oh no! No, 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 out, 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 out.
No.
Actually, Angelo, it's Resident Evil Outbreak. Outbreak. Oh, I'm gonna pick these up. Pick up herbage as much as you can.
Yeah.
Stock on
Right.
herbage. Combine. There we go. Did you find the weapon?
Yeah, I have a pipe.
I wonder if it breaks. If it bends. Do you know if it breaks?
I don't know.
Take good care of the pipe. Oh, I found the first plate. Nice. No.
Yeah.
Alright, out. Alright, I'm gonna go to the main hall. Well, actually, I'm gonna look around to see if I can find the gun for you. Because I need...
Yeah, I'm at the emergency staircase.
I know where you are. Yes, I know where you are.
Yeah.
But I need to see if I can find you a weapon.
Damn crows.
Wait for me in the main hall, I'm coming. I'm gonna look around real quick to see if I can find you a weapon.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Really? You're that bad?
Yeah, I'm in danger, and this annoying crow is just attacking me.
Come on! I'm trying to find you a weapon. If you can make it to the main hall, you wait for me there. I'll bring you. I can bring you
Wait.
healing
No, wait.
and a weapon, perhaps.
Oh no, yeah, I found the green herb. Yeah, I'm in the ace office now. And it's filled with gas. Now, so another zombie.
That's not. No, I'm bleeding. My friend is Cheer. I don't know if you ever saw him. It's Cheer. My buddy Cheer. Or antivirus, I'm gonna take that. Oh, I found the gun for you! I found the gun! Buddy!
Yeah, I'm in the lobby right now. I'm in the main hall.
Your troubles are over, my friend.
Oh, it's me, Cheer! Angelo, you know me.
Alright, so if you wait for me there, I'm gonna bring you healing.
Yeah, I'm in the main hall
I'm gonna
right
bring
now.
you all sorts of stuff.
Yeah, I know where I can find some herbage. Go outside, because there's some herbs.
I'm coming. Alright, I'm coming.
Just look. Gotta hide.
I got you a gun. You're gonna be okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna be okay because that.
You found herbs as well, that's great. So I get to use these then.
Yeah, I went outside.
That's good. Alright, I got a gun for you at least. Wait, I need to check if it's broken. Well, actually, you can fix it anyway. So.
Yeah, I can fix it.
Alright, so. No, it's not broken anyway. It's good. I'm coming. I'm coming out of the outside of the police station.
Yeah, I'm outside right now. I
Help
don't
me!
need a magazine.
Thank you.
All right, I'm here.
Done?
I found. Oh, you're in danger. Wow.
Yeah, no. I'm caution.
There you are. So, make sure you monitor your health. Here's your gun.
Thanks.
Awesome. So equip your gun, and you should be. Ah, there's a green herb here, and combine it with your red one.
Wait.
Over here.
Oh, that's it. Nice.
And
Thanks.
you'll be back to fine. Now, I'm gonna quickly grab. I need you to be with me. Toby, I need you to hang out with me.
Hey, Toby.
Come with me.
Okay.
Follow me. Wherever I go, you go. So that we can keep each other safe. How are you, Mr. Toby? Bork.
How are you working?
Bork. Lel.
Dead.
Alright.
Okay. So where should we go?
What's that over there?
Where?
Over here. Do you see that? Look at this.
Oh yeah, I think that's Mark.
Oh, where did it? Oh, GG. Oh, we can take his stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, I already had it. I took a first aid and
No, hang on, because I need to place the plate real quick.
yeah, I took the gas neutralizer.
I'm gonna place. Alright, so.
Glad to hear. I'm doing great, thanks.
I'm borking. Have you been here?
No.
Let's investigate here then.
Hey, I'm behind you. Right behind you, buddy.
We need to find the magnum gun. Oh, there's another. Take it. Oh, actually, yeah, you're full. You're fine. Okay.
Yeah.
What's over here?
I just need the pipe. There's some over me.
Antivirus. I'll keep it for now. And then whoever needs it gets to have it. This one's locked with a simple lock. There's another green herb here as well.
There's a liquor.
You see?
Outside.
I'll keep you safe now. I'm gonna keep you safe.
Oh yeah.
Ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go. We'll take the other door now. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna do this on very hard. But again, I mean, it is with infinite ammo. But we're surviving.
So should we go upstairs or?
Let's go this way.
You know, we should sit on the basement. You know what I mean?
Sorry, what?
The basement, the parking lot.
I've been there already. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, we're good.
Oh, I did this. Hang on.
Oh no!
What?
Do you have
Yeah, I do.
Nice. Stay away from the
There's
windows. Stay away from the windows. Through the window.
You go in there, right?
This is over here. I was just ammo. I'm gonna check here real quick.
Yeah.
This interrogation. Maybe there's another plate here.
Yeah, already, because there could be zombies there.
Yeah, there's another plate here. We got it. Look what I found! Look what I found! Look what I found!
It's right. It's
Look what I
nice.
found!
What?
Look what I found! Yeah, baby!
What did you find? Shotgun? Oh yeah.
Now we're talking. Infinite shotgun. Nothing can stop me now. Alright, I have another plate I can place then. I'm gonna go place it. Uh-oh, there's a zombie.
I realized there is
Whoa!
there,
Seriously? I didn't aim! Oh my god.
no, there's
I'm gonna take this. Another
Yeah.
zombie came through.
they're screaming around. Yeah.
Oh, whoa, whoa, another zombie coming in.
Do I need this place? Or you already got it? There's a place here. Did you get it?
Yes, yes, I got it. Yes, I got that one. Yes, 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 I got that. Let's go. Woohoo!
Woohoo.
We need to organize a Minecraft next time, man. You, me, maybe we can get through. Oh no!
Yeah.
Nice.
No.
That would be hilarious. I don't think that works.
But
Oh, it works. Okay, can't kill them. Okay.
yeah. Alright, we can knock them down. So we're done from here, right?
Yes, I'm gonna go place the plate. So it's Ashley. Yes, hang on, Ashley. Hold on before you judge me, Ashley. All right? Hold on before you
Hello,
judge me.
Ashley. Oh god. Nice.
Before you judge me, Ashley, this is not very hard. No, it's hard, not very hard. It's on hard.
No, it's not very hard. Because we played it very hard when we died like twice. Maybe 3 times?
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, exactly. I only did it hard, not very hard because of cheer, because he kept dying. It's something I can handle very hard. No,
No,
but
it plays me like in the room with the zombie.
yeah, it's true. Okay, I'm gonna go place that plate real quick, and then we can go head back to the. I don't think there's anything in the basement though. I don't think there's a point. I don't think there's a point. Unless
Yes,
I
there
miss-
is. There's a plate there which we take from bed.
Hold on. I Right, I got 2 now. 2. We need another 3, I think.
Yeah, we can go to the basement and take the one from
Let's
the-
go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's take a shortcut through here.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
Because I need the pipe.
Let's see. What's that? Oh, that's a stick. All right.
Yeah, that's the stick.
I love that you're shirtless. I love that.
Oh yeah, not just shirtless. I'm not wearing any shoes.
I said pantsless, not shirtless.
Yeah,
Look at you. You're ripped.
yeah. First I am.
Cheers, always happy.
Well, it's Vloggy's birthday.
Oh no!
Birthday.
Oh no! It's gas again! Run!
Oh no! Hey, don't put it, alright? I think there's a.
I went through this door. Just the first door that came closer, I suppose. The closest door I could find. Are you okay?
No. Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, good.
Just chilling with the guys. Come on, get in.
There's a zombie!
There's two.
There's 2. Is it gassy out there?
Yes. Last time I checked it was.
You know what I've been meaning to stream for a very while now, for a very long time? I've been meaning to stream Resident Evil 4 for the iOS. it's so crappy. I want to stream it. It's so funny. It's so bad it's funny.
There is a Resident Evil Degeneration game.
Yes, exactly. There is as well, yeah.
Yeah.
But
I don't know where this was, but I'm gonna.
This guy keeps saying that he dropped something in the police station, but I don't know what it is.
Okay, got run.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
There's another zombie coming.
We need to get you a better weapon. We need to get you a shotgun or something.
Well, this door I'm trying to open.
But at least it's still better. It's still better than the knife. Alright, so
Yeah.
let's go this way now.
Wait, there's a door here with a simple lock trying to open.
Where? I don't think
Yeah.
we can open it.
Yeah, and since the lock looks fragile.
How did the door open on its own and nothing came out? It's so strange. The door keeps opening on its own.
Yeah.
That was creepy. Where are you?
I'm close to Ben.
Oh yeah, he's got nothing. We need to find something for him.
Oh, Ben?
Yeah, we need to find something for Ben.
Yeah, we need to find the secret.
We need to
Document.
get that scum.
Yeah, this door here.
Ah, this door. Okay. I didn't realize this could be opened as well. Oh, we did it. GG.
Yeah. I don't think we.
Ooh,
went
herbage.
there.
Take the herbage and heal because you're on caution.
Yeah, I got her. And I got first aid.
Is there zombie dogs here?
Wait.
Oh yes, there's zombie dogs. Careful. Whoa! careful.
Yeah, for the knife. Oh, wait. I know this place from the game. Mario 2.
I got them. There's something in there. What's in there?
Yeah, there's a place.
Nice. Alright, so we got another one.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done here then. Iron pipe.
Yeah.
No need? Okay, so we're good.
Wait, you find the pipe?
Yeah, I found a pipe, but it's useless. I mean, it's better you stick with the gun.
Caution.
Whoa! Out!
Warning.
Yeah, let's run.
Warning.
Why is you're naked? Because I told him pants off, but he took his shirt off instead.
Wait, I didn't know I'm naked.
We're pretty much naked. All you're wearing is pants.
Yeah, but how did I actually know that I'm naked in real life?
Alright, so let's take a shortcut through. Actually, I need to. Hold on. I want to check something real quick. Actually, you want to go. You know, go to the main police station, to the main hall, and you go place that plate. In the meantime, I go look around here.
Yeah,
that.
I'm gonna go there.
I'm gonna look around. I want to see something. I want to see if.
Oh god,
if I missed something.
I'm actually 93 right now. Percent.
How much?
93.
83.
90.
Whoa, you're doomed.
Yeah.
You know what you should do?
I know.
Use herbs. If you use herbs, you slow down the virus.
Yeah, I know.
We're not gonna make it then.
No, we'll make it.
I don't think we will. I don't think we're still missing a plate.
How many plates we're missing?
I'm not so sure if it's 1 or 2. There's nothing important here. It says, oh.
We can make it. We still have to go upstairs, right?
Yeah, I have to do the password thing as well. I haven't seen the file.
Yeah, I think we're missing the 1, 2, 3.
3? We're missing 3?
I think so. Or maybe 2. I mean, yeah, no. We're missing 2.
We're missing 2. We're
Yeah.
a long way. We're still a long way.
So there's supposed to be 5, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna check here real quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs to the 7th floor.
Stay safe. Stay up. Don't risk getting into the gas, even for a split second.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I find this gadget valid.
Caution. Warning.
Come on! No!
Warning.
What's wrong?
Zombies got me and I'm in gas.
Oh god.
Alright, I'm out of here. And there's liquors here as well. There's liquors everywhere. It's locked from the inside. What? No! Oh my goodness!
Oh god. Hold on.
Such a mess!
Wait.
No! It's like, oh man! That is so unfair. That is so cheap. I got caught in gas. I died. No, I don't. I'm not dead. That is so cheap. Oh, come on! Come on! There's like 3 zombies I have to fend off. No! Oh my goodness, how cheap! That is so cheap. Oh man, I hate it when it's like that. It's a liquor, 3 zombies, and the room is gas. No, that's it. I'm rage quitting. I'm rage quitting! Oh my goodness. I'm rage quitting. Man.
Sorry about that. I had to take a phone call.
That's I need therapy now.
So, are you dead?
I quit.
Why?
Because I rage quit. Oh my goodness, the rage was real. It was a gassy room. Yeah, what Ashley said. What Ashley said in the chat. I kid you not, it was a gassy room, a liquor, 3 zombies, and I couldn't aim, and the door was locked. I went from being powerful to nothing, and I got only 9 points. That is ass. Here's what we're gonna do. Let's go to, which I think is one of the best scenarios in this game. Are you free to play another one? Maybe one more.
Yeah, let's go on now.
All right,
One more round.
let's play one more round, but not the police station. I'm done with the police station.
Yeah.
Let's play a scenario that I am absolutely 0% familiar with. Nothing. I'm not familiar with this scenario at all. I don't even think I beat it ever.
So should I say Infinity?
No, we're gonna go on easy. We're gonna go on easy.
No. Infinity or
No,
free area?
no infinity. No, just the regular, easy and regular. The free area, whatever it's called.
Okay.
So free area.
Okay, I'm in.
Start. I'm gonna create a room. So room title's gonna be for Ashley. A for Ashley. Number of players 4, and we're gonna go with easy, and we're gonna go flashback. This scenario, I have absolutely no idea what it's like. I'm not familiar with this scenario. Wesker!
Hey, Whisker!
Wesker be lurking. So this scenario, oh, you're in, okay. This scenario
Yeah.
was inspired by a Resident Evil game. That never happened. You see, they were planning on doing. Oh, 4 people in! Oh, 4 people! Well,
Yeah, let's go!
I'm not familiar with this scenario at all. They were planning on doing a Resident Evil game, which followed up Resident Evil 1. They wanted to do. The mansion did completely explode, and there were areas in the labs below that survived. And yes,
Oh.
yes, it's Cheer and
Super
Vloggy. and they wanted to be like,
Yeah.
it was like it happened a couple of years later, and a lot of grass grew around the lab, and instead of zombies there were like plants now walking around, and they never made that game. But this scenario is inspired by that idea.
Yeah, awesome.
Yes, it's all like abandoned and lots of plants and it's all about that. But I have no idea. I have no idea how this scenario goes. Oh, look at us! Look at you shirtless. Look how many people we are. We're 5 people.
Yoko!
There's a gun. Take it.
Yeah.
The other ones are staring.
Wait, what's
Who are these people anyway? Oh, something's happening.
I think it's Alyssa. No.
I don't get many visitors around here. I hear the city's in quite a state right about now. Well, there is an old road through these woods that leads to the neighboring town. It's easy to get lost, I'm afraid. Let me show you the way. Let's hope no one gets hurt. It's not like there's a decent hospital around here after all.
I have no idea what he said because the TV volume is too low.
Oh, it's gonna show us the way.
Okay, is that it then? Just he doesn't show us the way. Okay. Oh, he's a nice, friendly old man.
Yeah, but he says that there's no hospital.
David,
Okay, whatever. Let's look around. Let's grab some supplies.
Wait, there's something here. Yeah, I'm full.
Why are these 2 people staring here? Who are they? I don't know.
Yeah, who's... Yeah, I know Yoko, but who's the other one?
I don't know. I'm just gonna. Oh, look, a shotgun! We almost missed it.
Yeah, you took the shotgun.
It's Yoko and Cindy. All right. I took the shotgun now. Nice.
Wait, oh, Cindy. She looks different.
Yeah, she looks yummy.
Yeah, I never seen her in that outfit.
In front of cabin. We're gonna be outside in like a forest, if I remember. This scenario is very atmospheric. We need to be careful because I don't know what to expect out here.
There's nothing here.
Cheer,
Just a-
you're going the wrong way already.
Yeah, I know. I'm just
Follow
exploring.
me. This way. Wow, it's lovely. Eh? It's very atmospheric. It's not. It doesn't look like the usual Resident Evil game, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's not. It's like what do you call it?
It's like The Last of Us, I think. Where are you?
Yeah,
Cher?
this time.
I want to wait for you.
Yeah, I'm in the market fan. This is how the Resident Evil 2 remake should be.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's true. Oh, he's leading the way. Let's follow him. Oh, there's a zombie. Look at the zombies.
Please go.
They're like plants. Look at them. They have like leaves on them. And a flower. He's got a flower on his head as well. Look at that. That's so cool. Careful, because you see some gas came out of their faces as well.
Yeah, I know.
So be careful, because I think it poisons you or something. Let's get out of here.
David! David!
I'm going my own way.
Go.
Why is he jogging on the spot? He's lagging.
Huh?
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. The other zombie's here. Another zombie's here. You're never gonna get me. This way. Okay. I'm not familiar with this scenario at all.
Yeah, I never played it.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness, they're running. Wow, this place is a maze. Oh, there's an herb. I'll take it. Thank you very much.
I think I'm lost.
Go.
You weren't keeping up.
No, I'm. I didn't. Oh yeah, no. I'm right around you.
Oh, there you are. Yes, yes, yes. I see.
Yeah, but I'm poisoned.
You poisoned? Yeah, I told you to stay away from those zombie thingies.
I was helping Yoko.
Help yourself. Don't help others.
Yeah, I can do it.
Yeah, Wesker does that face when he sees someone.
David!
Like, vlogging! He does that face. So he's doing. Oh, watch out for the bridge. It collapses, alright? Cross carefully.
Please, wait!
I don't think it
I just,
collapses. Listen, you said you were poisoned, but you walked past the blue herb. Did you notice?
Really?
Yes. She picked it up now.
Really?
No, Cindy picked it
Yeah.
up.
Yeah, I didn't see it.
David!
It was right
Yeah,
Please
but,
go.
in front of it was in front of the bridge.
Okay, I'm at the. Wait.
Maybe she'll
I
give it
don't
to you.
remember the. I remember there's a hospital.
I don't know. I'm not familiar with this one.
Yeah, I think there's a hospital. Wait, where are you guys?
I fell behind. I fell quite behind. I'm coming.
I just. Okay, there's Sydney. There's Yoko. And
Yeah, I'm coming as well.
there you go.
Yeah, I fell behind. So, what are we doing out here? Watch out, I think there's a zombie here.
Yeah.
No.
Should go.
Ooh, wow, look at the building. This is
Yeah, I know.
awesome.
Wait, there's shiny thing over here.
There's something shiny, yeah, here.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
What is it?
Oh,
What is this?
just a newspaper. Just a newspaper.
Okay.
Or
We need to
this-
get you. We need to get you a blue herb, huh? We need to get a blue herb in you. This reminds me of like kind of The Last of Us in a way. And yeah, so this is the closest thing we got to that
What
Resident
should I
Evil
do?
game that was never made.
Cindy!
What? What?
Hey!
What?
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 What's that? Oh god.
Don't, no, get out of there! Get out of there! Get out of there! Where are you, Chair? I went up the stairs. Come on, come follow me. No,
You're up the stairs?
up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs.
Yeah, I'm.
There's a first aid spray as well if you need it, but I don't think there's time for you to pick it up. Oh my
No,
goodness.
I have to. I have to. First aid series.
Have you played Friday the 13th? No, and I'm not gonna play Friday the 13th. No, I'm not interested in it.
Hey, man.
I'm gonna take What's the door? I took the first door. Hello,
Yeah.
Mark.
Yeah. I'm right around you.
All right, good. All right, so what's this? What is this? Can I take these? Hold on. I think I can. Hold on, these are shotgun rounds. Yes, nice. That's it. Shotgun time. Oh, there's another shotgun here. There's another shotgun here. Take it.
Nice. Where? Hey. That's not a shotgun.
What is it?
It's a grenade launcher.
Oh, even better. Come on, take it.
Yeah. Oh, what grenade launch?
Nice.
That's
And
pretty-
if I find the shirt, I'll give it to you as well.
What?
Oh, it's locked.
Yeah,
No, we
we'll
can't
go
open
outside.
it.
Yeah.
It's locked.
Let's go outside.
Yeah, let's go outside. Let's go outside.
Well, I'm bad right now.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I didn't like Friday the 13th, to be honest with you. I think I'm the only person that doesn't like Friday the 13th. I don't like it.
Well, you know, it's fun at the beginning, but it gets boring.
It gets very repetitive. That's not my thing. Let's go here. Let's check out what's here.
Yeah, I think Cindy gave me help me. Because I'm not poisoned anymore.
Are you not poisoned anymore? Okay. Oh, there's a blue herb actually already.
Yeah, there's a display here.
There's a lot of healing actually here. Let's leave it here. Let's leave it here. We don't need to. This room is useless. Is there something behind? Is there something under the bed? Hold on. It feels like there's something under the bed. Hold on. What is this? Shotgun. I found a shotgun, but I don't think you need it. There's a shotgun under the bed. Actually, you should take it. Take it. Go take it instead of your handgun.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Atomic nipples. Hey, Freddy, who are you? Fire fists, Freddy. I think you should take it instead of your handgun. It's a more powerful weapon. What's happening? I didn't do anything. What's going on?
I think
Okay, the other guys. Yeah, the other guys. I think already completed the game for us.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird that there isn't a game based on Nightmare on Elm Street. Hey, it's weird that there isn't one. I mean, there's one for the NES for sure, but that was awful.
Yeah, I can see that in a Dragon Ball Z. Whisker.
So which way?
Check it out.
Whoa, 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 whoa! No, actually, watch out! Don't shoot these zombies. Actually, they're useless.
Yeah, that's
Whoa! Help me, please! Please help me! Okay. Let's get out of here. This is useless. Can we go through here? I can get past the
I think
fence.
there's.
Let's go here. Let's go through this door.
Hey,
Oh, it's locked. Never mind. Ah!
I don't know if it's destroyed. There's a box here.
Is this animator working? No, it's not. I have to shoot.
Hold on. Here.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! No. Stay away from these zombies with us. All right, I
There's
got them. I got them. So the elevator is destroyed. There's no way out here. I can't get through.
Wow. What is?
Time to go!
What's that box? What was that box? Oh, what's that?
Oh, it's just
And,
you know.
Uselessness. Ah, the box says umbrella. Interesting.
Yeah. So, I think we should go down.
Yeah, let's go back down.
And this time I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna hit that X dude.
Those guys finished the game for us. It's amazing.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
I'm gonna reload the gun real quick.
I don't know where to go. Where
Don't
should I
give
go?
up.
Yeah, the way you're going right now. Hold on, come on. This way. So now,
Ooh.
this way is destroyed. So, okay. And there's a door here. Oh, there's a crutch as well. You see, this was supposed to be a new area in Resident Evil Labs, in the RE1 Labs.
Yeah, but this has that.
No, but they never finished it. But I mean, this scenario inspired from that game. What was? Ooh, look at this.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, there's no going back now.
Okay, wow. There's no going back exactly. Wow, this scenario is fantastic, but I have no idea what's going on.
Yeah, same here.
You find anything?
No.
What's this? Notebook. I'm not gonna read this. Not today.
Oh, there's just a green arrow there.
I'm sorry.
Freddy's back. Freddy Falzon is back! Please come this way. Someone's telling us to go this way. Which way, though? This way? Someone's telling us to go some way. Main building, first floor, hall. Ooh, there's a main hall in this building as well.
Yeah, I'm going this way. Just...
No, we've been here. This is the same way. This is the same way we came from. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm in the north hall. Hey, I found them! Hey! Hey!
You found them?
Yeah.
Coming. Is it this door?
I
don't know which way. I found the door here. Did you go down the stairs or through a door?
No. I just walked through, then turn right and enter the door.
I'll find you guys, no worries. I'll find you. Oh, there you go. I'm with Yoko now.
Yoko?
Come here.
I was with Yoko in the north hall building.
I'm with Yoko right now. I don't know where we're going, but I'm following her.
Oh. I have no idea where I am.
Oh wow, we're going up the vines. Interesting. That's so cool. We're climbing the vines. We're going on the roof, I think.
Oh yeah, I think we have to go there. But
Like my character's asking, where does this lead?
oh right. Oh yeah. I think
I'm with Yoko and Cindy now.
yeah. I'm in the maintenance access mode.
Oh, okay. Okay. There's like icy fire flame rounds if you want.
Oh nice.
There you go.
Yeah, where's the round?
Behind this plant. Whoa, they're coming back to life. Watch out. Somebody picked them up already. They were there.
Thank you.
Yoko picked them up.
Thank you.
Yoko picked them up.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Quickly. Before they come back.
Yeah.
Actually, they're not coming back, I think.
David.
No, they're gone.
No, they come back,
Kevin,
but they need time.
over there.
Thank you.
They took your flame rounds. Dang it. At least we're all together now. We're back to being together. Oh, what the heck?
Oh god. It's
Wait!
Are these shotgun rounds?
yes, shotgun on.
Can I have them?
Sure. Here you go.
No, they're not shotgun rounds.
Yes, they are. No, I took the shotgun on.
Alright, I got them now. Can we shoot this guy? Did he vanish? What? He's vanishing.
Thank you.
I think we're wasting our ammo though. Watch out! You okay, bud?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You don't seem you're crawling.
Yeah, I'm just bleeding, but I'm
We
fine.
go this way. We go this way.
It's just a first one.
Alright, let's go this way. Oh, what's going on? Somebody did something again.
Oh. I have no idea what's going on.
Me neither.
Oh, I think it's correct.
Oh, no,
That's never
seriously.
good.
Yeah. The plants were the foundation of the. We're holding this building together, I think.
I think that's where we have to go.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, yes. Alright, so which way? You're just bleeding, okay. Can I have your... No, nothing, never mind.
What?
Never mind. I was gonna say, can I have your shotgun shells, but I realized you have a shotgun already, so... Let's go. I think we're going this way. This is a beautiful scenario.
Hey, you.
No, it's okay, I don't need anything.
No. I want to get them the grenade launcher.
I have no idea where we're going.
Hey, you.
Alright. I know. Follow me. I know where to go because I saw
Please, come
Cindy
this
going.
way.
Let's go.
Okay, where? So we're going now? Or
This way.
where are we going? Where came them from?
Although I don't know where she's going. I'm just gonna go down because I saw her going down.
Oh. Yeah, I think she's going to the hall.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, there she is. There she is.
Yeah,
She's over there. I see
I
her.
just have that. We had them.
I see her.
Because I didn't think we would survive on our own.
Yes, she jumped into the hole. I say. Yeah, I saw her. Let's go. 1, 2. Bye, bye, time.
Give me a dog.
Don't give up.
Okay, so now what?
Yeah, where's that going? Yeah, I'm going there.
We're gonna
Okay,
finish.
there's
We're gonna finish the scenario, but no thanks to us. Oh, down in the hole.
yeah, I need just I just jumped out in. I
Yeah,
didn't know
even
where
me.
I'm
I saw you jump and I jumped. I'm a sheep.
going. I was like, okay.
Leap
Fine.
of faith.
Okay, this is over here.
Is this it? Are we out of the game? Do we finish the game? Administrator's key office. Aha! I don't have room though. Can you pick it up? Can you pick up, chair? There's a key
Right.
on the floor. Yeah. So, out of here? Uh-oh, what's going on?
Oh god.
Oh no. Merlina, hello! Welcome!
Hey, Melina.
Hello!
you doing?
We're playing some Outbreak.
Hey.
Alright, so now... Oh, now we can't go through. Look, it's got...
Oh, she has an
It's
axe.
held by the vines. Who has an axe? That is awesome.
Cindy.
That is awesome.
Yeah, Cindy has an axe. Or a hatchet.
Whoa! I hear him. I hear the guy.
Yeah,
What should
yeah,
I
come here.
But I don't see him.
I think we already have one, right? Okay. Oh, there he is.
Did you open the door? Did you unlock the door with the key or not?
Yeah,
Okay.
I unlocked it with the key. I don't know. No. I didn't unlock it. But it's,
Careful now. You have no idea where I need to go.
What should I do?
yeah, I do.
You do?
Yeah, no, I was talking to Freddy.
Yes, he does, Freddy. He has a YouTube channel
What
by the
should I
name
do?
Cheer. Are you streaming this right now, Cheer?
No.
Oh, you're not? Oh, I was
Yeah.
hoping.
What should I
Yeah, I have bad Aperol Speed.
Please go.
My Aperol Speed is like a 200 kb.
Oh. Whoa! We all made it through the door before he got to attack us.
Yeah.
I know where I need to go. We need to go back to the place where we picked up the grenade launcher.
What should I do?
Oh yeah. That's downstairs, right?
Was it? I don't know.
I think. Oh yeah. I think it's
Go.
no.
This was locked.
That's where we're.
Yes.
I think it's over here.
I'm following you.
I have no idea where I'm going. I'm just.
No, this is not
Gonna-
the right. No, this is not the right way for sure.
Yeah, I know, but I remember like there's some herbage we left. Oh wait, there's a box here.
Ah! Oh my goodness! He runs! Oh my goodness! He made the run for it. I was like, alright, he's walking slowly towards me. That's okay. Then he made the run for it with the axe. Like, "Whoa!" Oh my goodness! He scared the crap out of me. GG game. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, there's a first aid on the left.
No, I'm just bleeding actually. I'm okay. I'm just bleeding.
Yeah, but you should take it.
Oh, actually, yes, you're right. It removes the bleeding, the first aid spray as well. Nice. Alright, so, I don't think this is where we need to be, eh? No. I've never seen this room, though.
Examination room. Yeah. Yeah, well, I don't know what it's weird, but I want to examine this.
What's this over here? Ah, it's a notebook.
Hey, zombie. Hi.
We need to,
Yeah,
we need to get
I'm finding-
we need to get Wesker to play this game. We need to get Wesker to install this game. It would be fun having Wesker with us.
Yeah, there's nothing here.
Nothing in here?
Yeah, except for one
What's
zombie.
that syringe? What's that syringe? Whoa, plant, plant! Whoa, plant! Out of here! Out!
Yeah, I don't think there's a zombie here.
I wanted to check out the syringe. I wanted to know what that's for.
I don't know. I see he also has it.
Yeah, I noticed as well. Yeah, I don't know what they are.
I think.
Whoa! The zombie! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Whoa! The door opened, and I saw an X coming in. Like, oh, the guy's following me again. But it was Cindy with the axe. I'm like, whoa! Ah, we're good.
Look at me. I'm just a shotgun.
Okay, come over here. Let's go open that door. Up here. I think it's up here.
Okay, but yeah. I'm gonna follow you for now. Wait, what is that?
It's a lighter, I think. Mr. Moore!
Oh yeah, I know. Hey, Mr. Moore.
Even you, Mr. Moore. We need to get you to install this game.
What should I do?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember.
Your place here.
It's mine.
Right, so which way? Is it
This
this way? I'm gonna check this door. I'm gonna see where this leads real quick.
Yeah, I think it's this way. I think it's this way.
Here.
Yeah.
No,
this
it's
way.
the room I went in.
What should I do?
What's this green thing? Chemical bottle, solvent. Wow, I have no idea.
Oh yeah, this way.
You need to unlock this door with the key.
Okay.
Use the key. There we
Please
go.
Thank you.
very much.
Ooh, spiders. Ooh, look at that spider. Did you see the camera angle with the spider? Is she gonna move the cereal thing?
Wait. Is that a spider?
Yeah, but is it live? Is it alive or is it just a
Oh.
decoration?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I see a spider.
Is it for
Take
decoration?
take a screenshot.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to take a screenshot of this. Alright, done.
Hold on. Let me pause.
Yeah, let's aim at it. Let's both of us aim at it. That's awesome.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a screenshot.
Nice. Alright, so. Which
I
way?
wonder what they're thinking when they look at us. We're like, what the hell are they doing?
I know, right?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. They're playing serious and we're having fun.
You went upstairs, yes?
Yeah, I
Okay.
went upstairs
I'm right
and
behind
that's
you. Whoa, bees! Bees! And they
Yeah,
and they
these are-
teleport. Nice.
these are giant bees.
Nice. Who did that? That was a good shot. Oh, by the way, Cheer, did you know that in this
Yeah.
game you can actually hold the gun and walk? Look,
Please go.
like this. Aim and walk.
How?
Look at me.
Come here.
How do you do that?
Okay, are you using a PlayStation controller?
No, I'm using a PC controller.
You have to hold, and on my controller it's R1 and L1
Oh,
at the
yeah.
same time.
Yeah,
There you go, you're
yeah,
doing
yeah.
it, yes. Let's get out of here.
But I keep aiming down. Yeah, I keep aiming down. I don't know why.
Kevin,
I have the ball.
come here.
You can't actually aim down, it's just one direction. One direction. Oh, look at this. Look at this place. Wow.
Yeah, I think we're near the
I
end.
think she's chopping them off with the axe. I think Cindy.
Yeah, she is.
I think I saw her chopping one off with the. Oh, they went down the hole. Let's follow them. Down the hole.
wait,
Bye.
wait.
No.
I'm gonna go.
I went down the hole.
Yeah. From Jojo.
Oh, what's coming? Something's coming. Ah, zombie.
Actually, it's two zombies.
Thank you.
Handgun, nope.
Yes.
The scenario is awesome, but
Oh yeah, it is.
I have no idea what's going on really. I don't know what we're doing, what's going on. I'm just following them.
Yeah, I mean, I just going along like
What
cool.
should I do?
I'm like, okay, go here. Yeah. Hey, we've been here.
Have we been here? Oh, what's going on? Ah.
What
How
the
many,
heck
how
is
many
going
plants
on?
are we killing? How many plants are we killing?
I think that's the final boss.
Ooh, look at that. Ew.
Yeah, it looks like
It looks like a final boss.
yeah, but I don't know. I don't like this type of bosses.
Alright, so let me just look around.
They kind of disturbing.
Alright.
There's nothing here.
I love how
Oh, no.
Cindy's sticking with the axe. Is the axe really that good?
I think.
I think so. Yeah. Wait, Vloggy, chill more streams?
Where are we supposed to go now?
I think we're
Oh,
fine.
okay, we can go through here now because the plant is gone. That's why. Okay. That's what it is.
Cindy.
Okay.
Oh, wait, this is where we came from.
No, this is where we couldn't go through because of the plant earlier. I think.
No, 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 no.
Yeah.
The way I went to.
Go. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I went to. Over there, that's where we were before.
I have no idea where to go. Uh-oh.
Go.
Yeah, I'll go. Okay, we'll go here.
Come here. This way.
Yeah, going.
She's shouting this way, but I don't know which way. We're going down the stairs, apparently.
Oh yeah, yeah, this was, we were here before.
I'm with the girls.
Oh no.
I'm right behind you.
Alright.
So we go downstairs, right?
Yes, go downstairs. Whoa! Whoa, the axe guy's here!
Yeah, he wants.
Alright,
Oh
so
no.
now what?
Please go.
This is a long scenario.
What?
Yes.
Wait, where did you go?
Down the stairs and take the first door.
Uh,
I have no idea where we're going. I'm just following them blindly. I have no idea.
so
Did you?
first one. Yeah, I just got downstairs. So,
Alright, yeah, keep going
go ahead,
downstairs. Head always down
Yeah.
the stairs.
Yeah, I am downstairs.
Alright, now take the first door. I'm gonna come get you. Hold on.
Wait, I'm at. The axe is up here with me.
Who is with you?
The axe guy.
Okay.
Yeah, should I go?
Okay.
Should I elevator or?
No, keep going. You're in the right place. There's the axe guy. You are in the main building, first floor hall.
I think so.
I can check it now.
Yeah, I think.
I don't see you though. Oh, there you are.
Oh,
Follow
yeah.
me. Take that door. Go. I know the way.
Okay.
I think. Because I lost the others now. I have to come back and get you. But we bros have to stick together, you know? Okay,
Yeah.
so, follow me.
Where's that? Okay, we're done. There's the...
This way.
This way!
Down the stairs.
Okay. I don't think we're gonna be...
This is as
quite
far as I
above-
followed them earlier, so I don't know where to... Someone's shouting help! Oh, they killed it already! They killed the plant already, my goodness! We actually did nothing.
Hey, we had fun.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I mean, it's fun knowing what to do. Oh, wow. Ew.
Oh, that's the old man from the start.
Was it?
Yeah. She looks, you know, dead.
Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh! Alright, this is not the right way.
Where's he?
Block, this way, this way, this way, this way.
Yoko!
Uh-oh, the building's collapsing. What do we do?
Someone help me.
This way.
I know where to go. We have to go to the room where we get the key from.
Where?
You remember the room where we get the key from? I think,
No, just follow the girls. Whoa, ouch.
That,
This way.
happened.
Where are they going? What's going on? Where are they? There was the girls in this room a second ago.
Oh, no, they're outside.
Alright, let's go. I don't know where to go from here.
Yeah, we'll go outside and then we'll go upstairs.
Alright, I'm lost now. Oh, what's going on?
Oh. He's dead.
What is this guy anyway?
Where's he?
Go, I have no idea. Did you go up the stairs?
Yeah, I went up the
I'm
stairs.
coming. I don't...
Yeah, they're upstairs actually.
Okay, okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Where?
Come this way.
Yeah, go upstairs and then go. Yeah,
let's go.
okay,
Whew.
good.
This is stressing me out now. This feels like a Resident Evil game after you beat the boss. You have to get out now.
What should I do?
Yeah,
Oh, I see something this way.
except this one. But there's no warning.
Exactly, there's no countdown, it's true.
Yeah, we need that.
I don't have a caution. It says caution.
Yeah, same here. That's it. We just have that distract mechanism as it activated.
It's
Yeah.
true. No alarm.
Hey, we can make one.
Oh yeah, this is where we need to go. Yeah, where there was the plant.
Yeah.
We made it. We're out. Ouch.
Okay.
Out. We
Yeah, I'm
made it.
outside. Yes. I made it.
Did we all make it?
What the? Oh god.
What?
So
What the
there
heck?
you are, my
That was the outside?
What?
So where's the other guy?
My dear Dorothy. I'll never leave your side
The heck is
again.
disturbing. I need to watch this again. Play this. Boom. Okay.
Yeah.
Rip.
Yeah, we need to play this again with the throw and aim. But this is like, I have no idea what to think about.
Yeah, we need to play this. We need to understand what happened here, because no idea.
Sometimes I think human beings are worse than animals. They put their own selfish needs ahead of the well-being of others. Not that I'm really any different. I'm always looking out for number one, myself.
That was good. I mean, it's a good scenario, but I have no idea what happened, what's going on, what's with the story, the puzzles,
yeah.
nothing. Not even a puzzle. We did nothing. We just followed them around.
Yeah, we got around, took screenshots, and that's it.
I got a rank C, and I got an 1,005 points.
I think we'll get to like around something 11 or so.
That's awesome.
Sure.
I'm gonna save. I got 1,000 points. Those are good for you.
Alright. Okay, I figured out
That was good. Alright, I'm gonna have to call it because
yeah.
I'm working another night shift tonight. I need to eat something and I need to get some
Yeah.
rest before. So I'm gonna call it. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
playing with me, Cheer. That was awesome. That was fun.
Ah, you're
That
welcome,
was
man.
fun.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, you're welcome, man. Thank you.
And
It was
thanks
really
to
fun.
everyone that joined on the stream, saying hello and keeping us company. And while we noobed out. Oh, it was you playing with us, Sherry. Wow, you're good, Sherry. You are very good. Sherry was playing with us.
Oh,
Yeah, wow, that was
Nice.
very nice. You did well. I like that.
yeah.
That was fantastic. It was Sherry playing with us then. That was nice.
Yeah.
We
What
enjoyed
character
it.
she was playing? Was she Sydney or you?
I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. But yes, we want to play with you again, Sherry. It was nice. It was
Yeah.
awesome. We want to have you with us again. All right.
Thank you, Jerry.
Thanks for everyone that stopped by the stream saying hello. And I'm gonna go. We will see you next time. Take care and